Yeah, welcome back to PFS Films, guys. I hope you like this. And I promise you, something good is coming Sunday. What was that? Something good is coming Sunday. Just please remember to like, share, subscribe. The more you share, the more we can post, and more we can upload movie. But if you less I share, and less we can really upload the cars. There's no enough revenue to do certain type of movie. I go all out. Now I'm planning to go all out, because the movie that's coming Sunday, and I'm going somewhere for 3 days to film. So you must know again, say something different is coming. But I already finished the one that comes Sunday. I make a trailer and I drop it tomorrow. Because this is a movie I post right now. So tomorrow I'm gonna go see trailer. What is coming Sunday? I'm not gonna like it. And I go want me release it before Sunday, but Sunday we can't hold it for. So just understand, remember, touch the subscribe button. Make sure say you subscribe. Make sure you say subscribe.
Daddy. Morning.
Good morning.
What bring you to come down here?
Eh?
Mommy send you down here.
You wanna say we are come?
No, say we wanna come quick.
Mommy pack up we and send we down here so you know say we are come if we just go down, you know. She call you already.
Let me ask you a question. One upper country, a town of matter of fact, you have to back a bush with it. One upper town a good mother heart take up there.
We?
Have all man on the bed.
Eh? How man go under bed? Daddy I lie mommy I tell. I true mommy want have man.
Yeah.
So you tell her for your moment.
No.
We not tell
Daddy
no
me
lie.
not tell no lie. Daddy me swear upon your life. Daddy me not tell no lie.
You swear for life?
Daddy your life. Daddy for show you me love you. Me would do nothing to you.
Why am my life you want to say for?
You live long already, you know.
Daddy, I'm sure you not understand.
Let me ask you a question.
Hmm?
Why your eyelash long?
Why your eyelash long? Why your eyelash long? Me want good daughter.
Overnight.
You grow overnight. You know what gonna grow overnight? My fist down on the throat.
Well, the way you treat me so that they will just come. You can't believe everything what mommy say and mommy is a liar. I told mommy want have 10 man. And when you know that when John come and John left and Tom come, me tell Tom say John come.
You want me I say no. You see when if under my roof, no matter really I gonna make on a tan.
Mm-hmm.
There's some rules that we have down here. That's why you know mama move out in the country and manage my rules and when you not baby, you know.
Mm-hmm. We are good pitney, you know. We are good pitney. We not get trouble. Yeah?
I'm not in trouble.
No, daddy, where me I get trouble, daddy?
How much phone call we get up a town?
I told mommy nah no sense.
I told mommy want have her man them. That's why she send me down and that's why she call her. Cause she said we dey invading her space.
You know me, you say how much day you missing out of school out of 2 weeks. You missing.
Me, daddy?
Every day you left to school, you go somewhere go change your uniform.
Daddy, I'm not go so. I lie that.
And in a car, a cock up foot on dashboard.
Me?
Mass John no pass you. Eh? In a Burger King line. Eh?
And me and my friend them there Burger King.
Oh, yeah, your friend them there Burger King at the 12 o'clock. Eh? When they should have in your uniform at school. And you
Daddy,
go to school, yes, but you accept in the evening. When you mark present in the morning, you know the day in the evening. You think you're smart, but you're not smart. You know, say 2 times you get mark at school. Eh?
Daddy, me there at school.
So warm to the evening mark.
Daddy, me there, me go me yard. Me go me yard. Me go me
Your
yard.
mother tell me, say, alright, and I nose over the little old man you there.
Daddy, tell mommy something to the left of me, you know. As she over the old man yard, it's not me.
And when 3 o'clock, so you're stupid. When 3 o'clock come at that time, you come from over there, go here. You idiot?
Daddy,
Who you
you
trying
see
to
me?
fool?
You see me? Did you see me,
And
Daddy?
no.
You did see what me do? You did that? Mommy have proof. You have camera for me.
What you
Sure.
want me to say now?
Talk
You
bad at
see,
me
under
here.
my roof,
Under your roof.
we don't eat as you look at the food.
Huh?
You don't eat as you look at the food. Meaning, 3 times a day meal we have. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Come to chips.
If any little supper you need, you
So
save
want
some
the
of your
dessert.
dinner. Mama, you know the hotel. You know the restaurant. It's a yard. What kind of dessert?
After
If you
show.
want dessert, you go to Africa.
Hotel no look so. And restaurant no look so. Probably eyelash and my black eyelid.
You know what I'm
Cause
done with it now. Because no mother tell me say no. I make sure to come back to senses. This one me done with it now. I'm going to be the best behaving child.
we are get trouble.
Daddy, all your pickies you want you to have.
Wow.
You chat too much now, Daddy. Me want to go and go sit down. You know where me I come from?
You know long we are walk.
Breakfast ready? You're hungry. You're there talk about rules and regulation.
Me have breakfast. Yes.
Good. Egg and bread and pancake. And sachets and frankfurters.
Banana porridge.
Banana with porridge.
That's all me make for breakfast.
Oh, I want a good joke. I want a good joke.
Eh?
Laugh, girl, a joke.
So we
Laugh.
go left for a town. When me and left eat big egg sandwich in the morning with franks and bacon and cheese and all of this. So if you come eat banana porridge, you want to go back now.
And this
Banana
is where mother
porridge.
go wrong now. You see why you feel on for the morning time? And one day when you can't find one of them, go on a man yard. That's true.
No.
One inside, take a rest of rugus. One inside.
Now come, sir. I tell him, I make you know that. You're bright. You take this thing for.
This where
Are
we
you
done
with
with
me?
it. When you go and be like that, when you go and be 13 and 12, not 16 and 17.
Daddy, me at 60, me you can't turn back me age.
I'm at 78.
If you could have turned back, if you had turned back for your age, I'm sure to God you don't want to be old. Because you're old. I want to ruin young people's life. Yeah, mommy, that's all no good for. When you need young, nobody at top of the front, do one I do. Backside.
Nah, sorry. Nah, sorry. I'm not going to start. Yeah. I'm going to as the pop. As the pop.
Because I think I can go either now.
Yeah.
Fagwan.
My friend got into rum though.
You know, some no want to go up on the road, though.
I'm go on the road.
Me not trust to go up on the road, brother. Every day, get up and walk up on the road.
Me go lick my dog, man. I'm tell.
Who will tell us that woman you're gone out with?
Woman.
Yes, woman.
Tell them I think I want burner, you know. Just like it's still over in there.
Yeah. Me not trust to go up on the road. I mean, I want to come here up on the
I
road.
go on the road. I'm a big man now, you know, my friend.
Me know you're a big man, but you have some things that me not know when I go up on the road. I mean, know that.
I'm not going on the road, but my dog never link, man. I beat two Joes and easy.
Make sure and come in before it started up. You're a big man, but yeah, you have your hours to come in.
I soon give one look up if you can tell them sit there, man. Soon come back here.
Just up and come. Alright.
Look, girl. I want to there. Hello.
A little girl, my name?
Listen me. I'm here the father, yeah. Right? Me free if you call on anything you want call on in your stuff.
Say big girl, not little girl.
Man, when you're 22, you're a big girl, yeah? You see, when you're 22, that time you're a big girl. Or when you're 18, you're not big because you don't understand life. When you're 18, you're still a clown and clappy. Anyway, me I go on the road and me I beg you to do. You see me chat down, look a few, look at me, I say, I want to clean up. I want the place clean up. I mean, when you make up your face, you call me, we give you my shit. Remember me tell you that.
You my shit.
I will give you the machete. Tell your sister to me, say.
You got something for me.
Yeah, man, no one on head. Me a tough crackers I carry back on, so I can't eat to the porridge.
Which tough crackers?
That's nothing, yam.
More tough crackers. What we are doing with tough crackers?
Ingan?
Yeah, in Ghana, what?
Finally. Shut too much, man. Come on, girl.
Where
I'm up
you
on the
go?
road now.
Come on, no call long time I walk out that place.
Yeah, we need to walk. Boy, what are they tell about out here?
But we must clean up them the dengue and the top, but tough crackers.
I pray.
Pray no, Father.
Active, man.
Damn, Father,
Oh,
man.
yeah, hit you now.
Well, you walk me, see me, I can walk and put them, see me, I can get a link, you know?
Alright, that's some of them on the usual spot.
Regular day, man. Where you say the day with?
Oh.
Where the day with?
I'm there, just a chill out and sitting there, like, catch some breeze and any type of something.
More where they kind of stress out my brain right now, you know, Father. So I'm saying I can hold a drink, you know?
What stressor?
No, mama.
What happened now, my dog?
Brother come like more one everywhere me I go, daddy. Like you want me to feel or sick.
No, man,
Everywhere me I go, you want to feel
woman
know, daddy.
can't then sitting on my bro.
Daddy.
Man, if you have
Right now.
space, and
Come like me not have none.
no, man, you have to put him on a level, man,
Come
tell
like
him,
you
say,
want him
hey.
like a picnic, daddy. I tell him about how make him come back before a certain time, you know. So I have to ask him when my day.
So you come back before a certain time.
Me not picnic again, daddy. I'm a man, no, your father.
Man, say, bro, you can't make woman a controller then with the dog.
So I'm wear underpants, my father. I'm tear man, I wear pants, no, man.
And I don't know if you saw her sitting to you on my dog, but you
No,
see
it's a
what?
regular day, but every day, so.
Not every day. Sitting half a change. Every day can't be the same, my bro.
Like some like say I'm out a new woman right now. They want she to just go on about our business right now. That me and pray right now.
Hold on,
Real
before
life.
that, I know nothing to change woman nada, but you chat to him and tell him say I don't like it.
Every day.
And when do? Ain't try to make no improvements.
Like I said, the same thing my did that it come from the road.
Well, yeah. Give him a little bit of time. If you don't see no improvements,
Daddy,
so
me
cut.
give him whole heap of time already, daddy.
Well, you know what to do then, my bro. One
And
time,
one
me
more
there.
fine, but man go down around and see one right now, man. Tell him.
Alright, yeah, man. Me there, how man, no there stress me, no dog. I tell him say, Ray, and he start do Ray. If he never do Ray, I me cut set day. I just summertime, bro.
So I can't leave my house.
Yo.
I shit have to go on, daddy.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah, you have to left. Tell him to pack in bag.
Cause you will say you will let me now, like, my place.
I feel house that a relationship me I talk about. Isn't it? A relationship me I talk about. But bro.
More thing left everything, man. Relationship, your house, everything.
Yes, I feel.
I'm a number more thing for left.
Me dog, one idea them just forget more than say, yo,
number,
you know what, I'm tired of this look up at anything though. At times you go on and waste them.
And that me I tell a father, man.
Mad funny man time say, go on and waste them.
Good morning.
Morning.
Hello.
Morning.
How's on?
There.
Hey, name?
My name? Job when they call me.
What your name?
And I say that for my name though.
Oh.
So you say about it, so come to you. So over there, so. Hey, how are you in here?
Name Jada.
Nice, no, first.
Alright,
Tonight?
You look alright.
man, look great, man. You know, alright.
Very good.
Where you guys heading to?
We don't know, just a walk.
Oh.
Alright.
Boy, you know, look nice an idea though. An idea them would want to walk with you know. I love to walk with them. But Jada, will feel face miserable up so. You ain't nothing this morning. You have some conflicts.
Eh?
Very out of
No, Mr.
order.
Look fine. You
Me
come
just
on,
need
look
nice
fine.
talking.
Right into two.
Like you tell me, man. So, you know,
Every part.
you know what to order.
Right now.
What make it so?
So what do you make you look so? You can't talk to me, no. Me big enough. Yeah, 18. I'm sister 90.
18.
Yes, I'm 19. She bigger.
Sure.
Have
Hello.
ID?
Me just turned 18. How me go have ID so quick? You go take a while to get the ID. Use your head, no man.
For sure.
So what do you make you look so sad and depressed?
I'm not sad and depressed.
You look sad, look like something has stressed you out. After your friend look saying that you alone look so.
You know, sir.
Yeah.
I look weep in that one.
I look so like you're by your head.
Weed me up one man. You know, say weed ain't high.
You don't look high, you look stressed.
No, sir, I can't look stressed, man. Me alright, I'm active.
You have woman?
No, sir, one more right now.
You have woman?
Not even none.
Oh.
Not even none in the house.
You have man?
No, no.
You want one?
But Kayla, you full of
Oh, you
vibes,
was a
sir.
brawling, sir.
Yeah.
You're brawling, man.
Come here, get me a cut to the chase. Me no long and go round no corner. Pick one. Are you me like?
Come. Come over here, sir. Over here, someone.
Me have to choose because you don't know that man. They come here, sir. Come here, sir. So what you name? You have number and phone and you sitting there.
I know, so me look one burner phone though. Oh, you want to give me a number?
That's our income, me a farmer.
So where from, Kayla?
I'm from down the road, one of place. I don't even know where me live. Where you there? Where you come from?
In the area I come from too. Down beside a John shop there, so. In the back of
I don't know where John shop. We just come here.
Just a come here.
But you say no woman, you know.
Not even none me not have a swear on everything in my life. You see my finger cut right now. If me have a woman that my finger drop off.
So you coming on the farm right now,
I bet you make you no drop off. You know if you tell lie now. If you have a woman, don't talk to me.
Me not have no
Talk to
woman.
she.
With one cow.
Right?
How me fi talk to she?
I know that.
No, I'm say talk to she. Me mean your
But that's not wrong
woman.
with
Oh,
That me mean. Me say
You think
she.
your sister you
Yeah,
talk?
also.
Yeah.
A real life.
But anyways, we are going to go up the road. Come on now.
Come on.
Come on. You don't chat too long, so.
Stand good though, my friend.
Yeah, man, no joke about it. No joke about it, me bro. See, bro, see woman come right in front of you, fuck the dog. Bro, you chat to your one
Me
woman.
go lick him right.
Yeah, do it right then, man.
Want a drink first, daddy. Where are you? Come have a drink, come on.
Forward then, man.
Where you come from?
I mean, me I come from. Tell me I come from.
Where you come from? Let me ask you.
Me tell you, so me I have a drink with my friend, though.
So long? Look for women that she play them till they are dry.
What have to do with me? Breeze or blow, they must have to dry. Eh?
You see, you know me can't deal with you. You see, I have drink with friend, don't?
Mama, I hear what going on now. I know if me well for right now, come and can't bother with you, you know.
When me can't bother, and me a spend in here. You tell me say I go pan you, me give you permission, go pan you just come in here. Where you come from?
Where I spend?
I'm not long talk with you, know.
I mean, me I give money for spend.
And me I give you that to spend.
And I am farm.
But if you want, so where you come from?
What you trying to say, yeah, man?
Where you come from?
What mean where I come
I'm
from?
here like you talk where you go left. Left who?
What you trying to say?
Left who?
You.
You can't left me, baby. You can't left me. No. All of me dead. You have come in at that grave there with me. You can't left me. What you talk about? What you talk about?
You come like say a little piece of cocoa last night or something.
What you talk?
You take drugs?
No, you supposed to take drugs.
You look so when I take it, call me and tell us me I go left here in a year.
I must say, other girl, tell you what I talk to you, you can't left me. You call me, you can't left me.
Me not find her yet, but
okay, so that means that she's out there.
She's pending. It's on pending. Excuse me, come away. Go in a place, because when I tell myself, tired of you too, man. I left me, I go left her.
Tell you, okay, don't, you know, no ears. Go about my business.
Stand right there, sir.
Daddy.
Your Peter, me asleep.
Me not feel say you asleep,
Your
daddy.
Peter, me asleep.
Me not feel say you asleep.
Where I come from? Come me there whole long, come back whole long, you know.
We go stretch my legs, daddy.
When you was stretching the leg.
Yeah.
Say yard can't stretch the leg.
Yeah, too little.
Your mama yard big. Let me ask that question. Your mama yard big.
No, it's small.
Oh, una talk about my yard too little.
No, if a mom we can't go road.
Listen, we can't just stuck at one place too long,
No,
you know, we have to have
listen.
little breathing space.
When you up a mummy, you can go on road. So your mummy can have privacy with him, man. Then me understand that. But when you're there yourself, me not know woman.
Let's
So
have
there's
it.
no privacy here. You understand me? I try to tell you.
So then why you stand up now, daddy?
Can't grieve me. This is what the
Let
mother
me
tell
look
me
up in
about.
your face. Sit down back, man, and talk.
Oh, you're not no man. You're not no man. Listen to me. You're not no man.
Yeah.
You want to see something all over your eyelash? What me telling
You know
yourself to do?
about for my eyelash?
Right. I want to do to the yard.
Rake you up.
Right. I want to dash my porridge in the bin.
Come on, parent.
Let me tell you that porridge.
Eh? Tell the porridge that you come here both head and franks. And they say, wait a
Let me
second.
go. Don't tell me, mother.
Listen to me. You see next time you left out of the yard, alright, that's what I'll slap you. You'll slap you till you go down. You see your up, we go slap you till you go down. Come here, you come here. One in the can see me no frowns it. Go on in.
Me pretty.
Go on in.
I tell you, people when losing my smell.
You me done enough. You must learn. You must go back at town as a good lady.
Babes.
What am I up to, you know?
So I go pan go make a hustle, you know. So I can go on, you know.
Every day I get up where I go pan work a hustle.
I mean,
Why we don't need to hustle because you know something you want me give you?
yeah, but me a man more if me have to find my one to, you know.
But why me no want you? What they go hustle?
No
Like you
man,
just
you
want.
can't tell me that man. Me I go pan go hustle, me.
You sure hustle you go hustle?
So me I go do.
I don't know, because I don't trust you to go pan the road.
Further me I go pan go hustle so me can find for myself.
Alright, make sure. And if it's that way I don't know what to go to and make someone to stop it.
Oh,
That way I go to and make it.
before some left, I find somewhere else and go.
Every day I get up and tell me, see, I go left
Yeah,
like
daddy.
you just want, you just not like when me talk, like you want to
No,
live the relationship.
can you tell me fool she's some years right now?
Every day, so, every day I tell you,
Brother,
you talk to your foolish.
yo, listen to me. Since me about my weed, slow me alone, here.
Why?
You hear me I tell you? No say mention not about my weed, daddy.
Alright then. So upon the road I go so.
Yeah. That me tell you a while ago, right?
Alright then, go out and come back. No, me there. Me I try to tell you
If you there, man, where you cook?
Where you want?
I want steam fish and crackers, here.
I don't drink that, you hand that there now. Alright. Hurry up and come back.
I want beetroot for drink, here.
You shall get it.
How we are leave it, so?
No, me I do it, man. Go and come.
Oh.
Some big spoon I put in my pot. Alright. Girl. The man call from man?
No, me not take your number.
You should take your number. You know the one call me this morning. Right now, daddy me wait pan for the left to go pan go link my man.
Me can just get up and take boy number, so. Me forget to know boy first, then me take boy number.
No,
Me
mama.
same thing, you know. Oh,
Mama, you waste time. You waste time, I mean, I waste no time.
waste time.
Girl, I said, mommy nah no sense. Mommy thinks say, when he say him come down, daddy, we need to find man. What say, daddy?
When I come down at that, you need to find what?
Happiness, good life, good treatment, big bed, comfortable. Mommy never do say we go find a something there. Mommy never do say go get one
Repeat
big.
the word before happiness.
Alright.
Happiness.
Mommy never know say we come down at daddy. We dey go find big bed, happy life.
No.
Window, we no heat up place. And what you hear then, daddy?
Me hear you say, mommy never know, say. When you come down, daddy come find man. So me I keep man down here.
What is man?
So me I keep man in here.
What is man, daddy?
Then you hear we said about man?
You know what is man?
What is man?
I don't know what is
man
man.
spell?
How man spell, daddy? What is man? Say you talk about man. Who tell daddy about man? I be a man in a year take man?
More know too.
Listen, me ask you a question.
Man a year take man, you know, daddy?
Who they take man already?
No.
Well, forget man for take.
What is man?
What is man?
How man spell?
No, me a warn you, like phone the woman no warn you. Taking man come with responsibility.
But we not, we take man, daddy?
If you are take man,
Yeah, man, a boy or a girl. That me know about. I know about a man. What is man? How man look, daddy?
What are we doing? Hope you take man, do you take man?
I can't tell you about man. You taking man? No one make mommy leave you because you take too much man, daddy. And I want pin it on us. We don't take man. You know what you're talking about. You see me I take man?
Go
You
and
see
go
man
clean out
mark
the
over
clothes them
yourself?
or whatever you do with the clothes them.
Sometimes no wonder if your mama knows to say your eyelash, the clang
No
down, they make it
worry
like
about me eyelash.
like a cloth. You know, she say
And me say
lean.
no worry
You know, she
about
say
me
not go straight.
eyelash.
Pack up your clothes, them. Pack them up. Spread them up. Take them. Spread them.
Daddy, why you do that? Daddy, cause them in there, sir.
Spread them up.
Me not problem no.
You come here, son. You want to feel like you want to be a big man? We go show you something.
Me don't show you something. Me don't come here to work out my body. Me not packing them up. Pack them up yourself. They were in the basket. You
throw
take them out.
outside, you pack them up.
Pack them up. Pack them up. Me don't talk. Me now pack them up. You not come abuse me.
Why the roll of tissue when me put in the bathroom done last night?
Daddy, that little something they accuse you. Like somebody I use it from last year.
Even tissue you can't
tissue.
buy. You know, see,
You too cheap.
You know how long me have my tissue?
Me not busy how long you want to
You
have it.
know how long me have the roll of tissue, yeah?
But you could
that
have
is
showed
not
me.
roll.
How what you call it?
Hold on. That is not.
Actually, ask me, I'm here syrup
That
to
is
the world.
not no tissue. That done. That a napkin.
All your
now.
bathroom.
A napkin.
Look for your bathroom. You want to have them good on. Come talk to me now that you come go on the road. That's if you do. Go out of work. Don't go on that short clothes.
Time late, man.
Yes, it's time late for chook. You chat too much.
Pack up back your clothes them.
Anyway, I can cook some, me have some sardine and some rice. Not the Jamaican sardine, you know. Some sardine and something like a mackerel. Only can cook it with the rice.
Me not eat mackerel. And me argue that.
Me never say mackerel.
Me not eat sardine. My chest too high for that. So mommy take 5 man one time. Take 5 man one time. You know what is man. Right. No, you can't cook, you can't manage. You go breed and can't feed or maintain pitney. But sardine. What me do with sardine? Turkey net.
And you know something, I pack them up.
I'm put the
Me
clothes
not pack
in
them
like
up, you
this.
know.
Full of the clothes.
Me not pack
put them
them
on
up.
and go. Make sure I straighten up before we come back here. You know that no man.
Now go tell me mother for you.
I'm not. I'm go on the road to you. Come on. But come put nothing in
That
a
place me and lift them.
Right, they want to come back with people.
So you say prayer now, my father.
Oh, I tell the man right now. I forget to the man right now, you know.
Boy, I'm tell her off the door already from
I
them
forget
time
her
there.
right now, my father. She get out her hand, daddy.
What she do this time?
True. You never true. She feel like she making money in her house, daddy. She move like she want to fuck. You know.
Can't walk,
I
my
didn't tell
dog.
me once I go go hustle this morning. I tell him, boy, I'm not going to go hustle because she making money already.
Nah, man,
I want to take man to pop.
I controlling thing that you see if I give you some of my money, and then you do your one thing, everything is right.
Daddy make him man know, so yo, I have my own money no more.
Yeah, you can't depend on
understand
him.
what I go on my friend, man, right now.
Any day, woman mind change on a dog and say, yo, and you feel like you must spend too much money, you just drop on your face, boom, boof, buff.
Daddy, I say, I'll be with me, have me abund there. Yo,
bro,
not me no want to hurt me.
yo, left that alone, man. Cause watch now. I say we are there in Tony who feel it there from what you know, man. So you are going on now. And that's why I'll call over here to come and link them and say for link up. So bro, just left your woman alone, man. Any woman that stress you get rid of it, my dog.
But you know what's up, yo, you know.
Me understand the feelings, man. I understand the feelings, but yo, just focus on what they in front of our face. As a matter of fact, see, woman them are forward now. So put us, even smile, bro, but look now, man, I'm to you. Yeah.
Mine.
Good morning.
I know, shorty.
Don't call me shorty. I want to make everywhere from the road me soon. I want to know for do.
So wait, you can't say what a reason.
But every time I pass on the road.
A reason, I'll try to buck up one of the reason, my friend.
You have yard?
That's why that woman we
So
can't
you
put in
were
a house
there
like a
road?
girl picking.
Okay, just 30 up, so.
Second.
My father puff me like that's why.
Yes. Yeah, get up, please.
Can't tell me have man. You can go man. I mean, don't know what is man.
So you say go on now.
No, man, me no want a man.
Already? Why?
Man a classes.
You tell me know your mind and today you want money.
How are this one?
What is man?
How are this man?
Yeah. Mama. You can't make it look so, man. You have to just get, you have to wait, man.
Wait for how long?
You can't rush night things so fast.
How long me I wait for?
And when you come up
We
for
don't do
bed,
the right
Give my
thing.
bro some time to know your first
Why you
man.
not stop the nice?
Like, make you know your last name before
you
you
come
beg
like
him.
a
Look,
one gold
And
thing
even
that
the last
one.
name, we
Yeah.
don't know
We're gonna make
inside
you
out.
money tomorrow and that day, beg
We
money
even know it
today.
outside,
No,
that's
I'm
the
not beg
inside.
you.
come on, come. Just give him some time to know your first man
You see
before
it?
you beg him. Look,
And that's why they go, some man, they go, listen, you love too much money. Money red, yeah, you go and breathe.
Mama,
You have money?
you don't see anything.
Yeah, you have work?
yeah,
Yeah,
I
I
work.
mean, on a
the
broke
money,
pocket,
some
man.
man.
Mama, man, they work, have you own
Yeah,
a house and you own a business and everything.
Alright, I have all of them there yet, but me I work towards them.
money
So,
man
Oh,
know all
coming
look
on
for.
the roadside, man, I catch up on the roadside every day like a crow.
Back
And
if
that
it's a
big
healthy
old
to
hand
go can
middle.
take care
you know,
of
you
you.
see all of me
When I
hand
make
big
you
out, so
hungry,
I'm
you
for
see
dig
it?
out hand me do.
And when I have craving your weed.
No, man,
I don't want, open the door, me see the camera, I want a man look at that, you know.
no, man, let me
No,
friend,
remember weed, my
let me
friend.
friend
Easy
alone,
yourself,
man,
I'm a
let me
weed. I
friend
walk
alone,
to you.
man.
No, girl, if you talk to
Over
you.
there, say there.
Make your sister worry about
Over there,
that, man.
say there.
What's not
Don't worry
talk
about
about?
No,
me.
yeah, you're a friend, you
No,
do
man,
what your friend
make
do.
your sister worry about that, man. Don't know how to do, man.
Listen, man, when I can't check up for your hand,
Me find the time, I don't know when.
me don't know when. They can't come check me tonight.
Me have things to do.
Oh, go on, sir.
So remember I was going to.
Oh, yeah, that's my man.
What you mean by with your man? I'm my man. What you mean by
Mama,
your
easy,
man?
eat,
I
yo,
your man.
No,
easy
come out of my
yourself,
face.
I
man.
your man.
Come out of my face.
I know your man. I know your man. I know your man. I know your man. Say that. I know your man. Say that.
I joke, shit, man, I'm a cousin.
A joke. Our cousin.
I'm a cousin, I
Say
can't do the things
I
I'm
know
a
your
friend, I'm a
man.
Why you
I
come up
cousin.
in
feel
my
my
face
woman,
so
man. I
far?
feel my woman. I
Oh,
feel him
I'm
cousin.
We're not talking about
I
you.
mean, him
I'm
them, man. I
fame
mean,
woman.
them, man.
So what you
fame,
man did
man.
to a fame woman this?
Don't worry
I'm
about
a
that.
friend. I'm a sister that.
Worry
Babe,
You
about that, man. Oh,
understand?
gosh, man.
See your woman this, yeah?
Oh, your man for the road that chat to woman. What kind of style?
Hey,
You know, I
I will
respect
know
you for
about
I'm
woman.
you.
going to
You
try
Oh,
to
fight in
gosh.
your
embarrass on the
yard.
road. Now, I see your style, now, I
Are
like
you
you, know.
clean skin woman this, yeah? Oh, God. I am sorry, okay?
You talk
That
about
good.
embarrass on the
But
road, so
next
I
Me
time
left
I
you
not
on
come
the
out,
yard.
embarrassed
come up
about
here.
I tell you if you cook. You know cook.
me come out
So
for
you
you
come find
in
the
your
road for.
head.
Nothing.
Listen,
Mama, come on, let me put down in your savior. Woman, you know, cook you. Hello, listen to me now, man. When you come look me, tell me say you have no woman, sir. That me I work with. Oh.
But you just saw time with her. But you just saw
What me,
time with
man,
a
me not
while
say
ago.
no.
Little girl, look here. You know, cry to a man, you see it? But make it be first and the last time if you see yourself with my man. If you not be picture here. And you,
See, girl, I don't go down there with you. I'm going to take him, man.
and you me here say so. Me never hear she say that. And
And
you me
she
here say that.
set me up for him. See him there in the run, the go down there, so.
So I tell you, when you take me money, woman, you give my money.
This morning.
See your mind, man?
Me not
money,
mind, but me I
babes.
take care of him and my man. So him if mine. Just make it be
Easy
first
yourself,
and the
no,
last.
man.
Shut up your mouth. Make it be first and the last time I did I say with him, I didn't know where with him. Can't tell me name one, and you come here.
I'm going to business,
Oh,
better,
what
man.
kind of-
Go in and please. I'm not for it on the road. Jesus. You could just pretend to your man.
You see, Uno son dog. Uno come go tell me say nah, no woman.
Me and you all conversation about my friend saying that, woman. No, you are my friend. When you are begging money, me did say, I'm my friend a dog. Me did say you a dog because you are begging money. You know, call matter of fact, me a go me yard. What? What? Where you are the friend? Where you are the bad the road? Stop.
Daddy, one woman run over here and I still drop one for the road and me a run come to the alright.
Me drop down.
Yes, Daddy.
On the road.
Yeah, because of the alright, Daddy.
So who knows say you over my yard? If you know say me drop down.
Wow, woman.
This me little girl.
Oh, God.
You see if
It's just gonna hurt, Daddy.
you see if me go down on the yard and the clothes and me gear if you fall up, now fall up. A matter of fact, me.
What? I mean, say drop down, Daddy.
Hold on, you need to drop down.
How happened? What happened, Daddy? But you make tea with that?
Let's see with it. Me I go put on a yard with you, say me put on there. And your sister now in the house. It wanna get the lick. It wanna get the lick. So
You
let me
know
ask
say-
you one more time. Who tell you say me drop down?
Because who tell me say you drop down? One old lady and she walk on crutch stick. Tell me say father drop down and me and my sister run out.
I think when Mavis come out of yard.
Me no know. And you want us when she out when me and her run come? She drop too. But to you more important, me run left her. So you not go see her do the kind of run out of yard.
So I don't know tired.
Yes, but we take one on the road.
I'm take on the road.
Yeah, come on, say say you there.
Instead of come this way, I'm gonna take on the road.
Yes, daddy.
Just when the sister come,
Mm-hmm.
now make sure we go down with you. And I make sure your head turn to the car. And see, when me ask her a question and you know, add up to what you tell me, you know, me a whop it to her on one.
You can't do that. If she want to tell you like you can't be because me talk the truth. We are rather come daddy and she jump up and when you ask her a question, I remember gone. Cause she jump and lick her head.
So you know I remember God. And you left her. Come
Cause she jump hard, daddy, she jump hard.
Come on, we are good on. We are good on. Try.
You know what, take her up.
Try. Pray to God. So, your question can't match your fear, you know.
You not gonna match it because I don't fear question. And my question and my answer it. She don't guess it answer what me I give you.
Well, if she don't get a 80%, you know how it goes. You know how it goes.
Walk.
All of those nasty and look at each other. Each other.
You see you? What kind of style that? What you mean by sure? What kind of style that? After you make me go up on the road and make your girl come drape me.
Yes.
Daddy.
Yes. So, me never drop down again.
Yeah.
Me never drop down.
Me tell her something you say drop down.
My girl Jada, right?
Oh, Jada.
So, a road in the
Daddy.
go with trouble.
We don't go give no trouble. The girl a chat bad boy yo. And he drape me.
Mama drop down.
You see what I try to show you, say? I read them now, go add up with you.
Come on, fear answer them.
Listen up. We go up on we hear say you drop down the road, right? And we get the call. We are go.
Right?
We then when we are come down the road, one girl see me and say me say your father a thief. And your father they do this and they do that. And all sort of something. And then I said, don't say nothing about my father. And nothing and the girl drape me and the road left me.
You know what she tell me, say now? She tell me, say you up the road a fight.
Me?
Yes.
Daddy, me never tell her that. Daddy never that me tell
When
her.
me attack you, shut your mouth. Shut it! What me say? She tell me, say, you up the road a fight 3 girl over 4 man. Yes. That she tell me.
Me the fight over man, daddy?
That's if you open up your backside mouth one more time. Open up your mouth one more time. She tell me, say, you up the road. I fight 4 girl over 8 man.
Me?
Yes.
Daddy, remember say me don't know what is man, you know, so me feel fight over man.
You don't know what is man.
No.
You never have a man.
No.
Tell her to talk to you now.
What is man?
I said, why no man?
A fan name man?
You will know if a fan name man.
Oh,
Me say
man.
the West Coast from Yam Glass. Oh, you don't know what is man.
Because man not relevant.
Let me tell you this.
But daddy, they not teach
Yeah,
me
what
about
daddy?
man at school.
You a man? And daddy me here then call you. Someone if you a man. You a man? You a man, daddy?
You know, some feel like some are just too big jackass. You are 16, you are 17, and you come like say, want to go to school, go learn, just come out here, so.
Daddy, they not teach me about no man, daddy.
Play man, daddy. You love beef. Remember see you have back problem.
You see, anyone now to come here with belly.
You come here with belly, daddy.
Daddy, what we have belly?
Alright. If anyone now to come here with nothing on the belly and move.
Something on belly I move. Worm. Worm in belly, daddy.
Alright, you full of mouth. If anyone now to come in my house with belly and grow.
Me belly I grow, daddy.
Sit your backside down. Sit down. What me say to you, sir? You see, if one now ever come here with belly, and the belly have nothing to do with pee, me I put
Peanut?
peanut now? Peanut now?
That's not me, peanut, daddy.
Daddy, put on your bed.
You better make sure a peanut turn on a pregnant. Because if you're pregnant, the man are going to run off left for now.
What is
Yes, the
pregnant?
man,
He's pregnant.
when pumpkin start shoot.
Oh, I want a pumpkin shoot, but I want a pumpkin me eat.
Yeah, that is pregnant. They
Oh,
say
I
that is
think I'm
pumpkin and
pregnant
grow.
then. Eat pumpkin.
A whole heap of pumpkin.
How about pumpkin we eat?
Country, you know?
So we are breed then. Can we eat with a pumpkin?
You are breed.
Yeah.
You are breed.
Yeah, daddy.
I want
Pumpkin.
Ready, put on your belt now.
I want to
What about
pumpkin up
pumpkin?
your chest. So you are breed. Make sure that the breed they are
Yeah.
breed with the pumpkin. Yeah?
Oh, and I breed it there? Oh, the breath of life. Not I breed it there?
We are breathing.
Me I going to tell you one more time. And this is the last time me I going to say it. Do not leave out a yard again.
Well, we never leave out of the yard, daddy.
You can't even leave in peace.
We never leave out of the yard, daddy.
What do you do?
We run out of the yard and we see your drop down. And you're supposed to thank God.
If you go back on the job down one more time, me I going to clap you on your nose with the belt. Remember me tell you that. You see the eyelash business, you going to take it up. Come in and grow no big man in here. You see, oh, she grow naturally without no. Yeah, me feel like you have the jacket, you know. Yes, me feel so.
Yeah, my face the two coming off favor you.
You know, Jagger knows.
Yes, dinosaur mouth.
She had the bigger one, right?
Yes.
And to me, you look like you're the older one.
You call me old, you call me face old, you tell me my face look old and tough.
Me never say that.
You can't say that because you want to look better. You can't say that about me.
You talk to me back.
Daddy, if you talk, me must answer you. If you don't want me answer, you don't talk then, daddy. Which school you go? In a school, when teacher asks you something, we answer back. So why you want to talk to me and me can't say back? Don't ask me nothing then, man.
If the teacher now chat to you directly, you don't answer.
But you're
But you're
talking
talking to her directly. You set your head this way. You call it on my face look tough, that's the saying,
As long as
daddy.
I maintain eye contact with her as she hear the talk.
You want the bed, make eye contact with you.
You make eye contact with me and I know nice, you know, pretty.
Okay, good. When you come here, to do. What the mother saying you come here to do? To learn, that's you.
Learn from what?
Learn to be able
Daddy,
to
you know
tell.
better than daddy. Can you adult if you have a decent job? Where you do? Where do you living?
You
You
know,
just left out here a man and nobody know do for living. We don't
Hey,
even
hey,
thief.
and the girl say, the girl tell me up a road, say, you a thief. Daddy!
me look like a thief to you.
I know me saying.
If you open up your mouth and mention the word T out of your mouth, me go spell out it with the belt. You hear me I say? You know how hard me have to work for mine, uno. Eh? Me can't wait till you reach 18 to put it through the door.
Government say if you stop man feeding when him at 23.
Tell the government, say if you come.
And the government, Prime Minister Andrew One says should not hit your child.
Tell the government. Any one of them what they want be. I don't care what they want be. They want
They
be
say don't feel
ADRC.
like with daddy and me I go call him pan you.
Tell them say,
Cause you abuse me.
if me not feel lick uno, then if you can take care of uno.
Good, we all go to them now.
Tell them say, mister, if me fi take care of until 23, then for raise part. Because them look at 3,000 at every other month can work.
I don't fear the part. She don't worry about the money while you they get. I don't fear that feel we hit 3,000 I can give you do something for we. It cannot for you. The money never meant for you. Go work. You're a big man. Work and mind yourself. And if you work and mind, you talk about government, about part. That depend per part. Right.
Okay. To your mouth.
Yes, sister, me buy with mouth, daddy.
Mouth, daddy.
You know me I do tomorrow morning me I can go to supermarket.
Go do what?
But
See?
get to no job.
Job.
You are 17, you are 16.
Daddy,
Me
not
not
a
work.
human trafficking.
And anything, anyways, daddy. I got
You
something
know,
for
send
you.
me go to school and they send me go to work. A human trafficking and me can't
All
start
these
getting that.
calls, you dash them out back and then fold them up. And me take the bucket and dash it so me, and me don't know where they saw. You have to buy one new bucket. Me that one, you know, say, sometimes when my head chippy does chip off.
So daddy are over panty this year.
Oh, you know so. Oh, you know so. Oh, you know so. Oh, you know
On
so.
them like a kite.
You know, say, me I go
Where's
tell
the man
mommy.
there like, that's you?
Yeah.
Right, that's you. Come here.
Woo! Woo! Yes!
No, come on. Turn.
Daddy.
Come now. Come now. Come now.
Daddy. Me
Come now.
never do no.
Come.
Oh.
Miss Big Man, come.
Daddy,
Come.
me never do
Come.
no.
Come. Come on. Yeah, how much?
70.
So act like yourself. Act like yourself. You're bright.
Come. Come now.
Yo, come from Holland full man, man, I'm here, man.
So we there, some of them yard doing me there in the yard. And boy I go look about business.
You know, business, I look about my girl, I'm here.
And me say woman.
Hmm?
You see, just know say anything go pan you again, expect me now.
Me with woman. I'm friends with 2 woman them.
You have one and a friend have one.
Yes, me with none. Kind of yes, with me right now. Me not have no woman.
You see how the girl and you can't fool me.
Oh.
Just know say everywhere you there, me there the back of you. Me I gonna be your watchman.
Can I watch my night out?
Because I step out, me step out too.
You know that man, don't worry yourself, man.
Just know that.
Me not hide.
I mean, I don't want to hide. Me don't fool me to see already and you can't fool me again. You can't fool me again. Because you just big and lie. I feel like you can't tell me an idiot.
What me lie with?
Me try to see out the girl and you tell me say I don't feel girl.
Me with girl.
So I never see her talk to the girl. You never see her talk to the girl, sir?
You ask me time, I tell her time.
Oh, and girl, I go in my feel that you tell her, say, you not have no woman and a fear man, you what? Why was so she has me never hear she has
Me
say
think
good?
I your friend, me think I was so unstable. Me don't know why right now. I don't think I can't, yo.
I see that deny. When me catch how me to wear, I see that deny.
Catch me where you catch me, I do.
Can I talk to the girl?
You see where I hug up?
Me never saw that hug up, but what?
Me
Who can tell us on not do them something there? I'll go and places where me not did, me not saw no.
Yeah, nobody now gonna know where mama.
Just know say everywhere you gone, me I step up back at you took and me I come with you.
But, yo.
Just remember me tell you. Me stepping up back at you as you left this house.
Left which house? Mama. If you dey yard, cook, wash and clean.
Okay. And if you dey out there, I'll go yourself to other girl. Let of you out there do.
No,
I'm if you dey in a side.
hustle.
Oh, see how hustle.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, see how sweet girl. What the girl can do for you? What the girl can do for you?
Yo, look at that.
You see, that me not like it. You know. You not like when me talk. Because when me talk, you get ignorant like, me not fit talk.
Alright, let me make that right now sleep and feel like I'm going to sleep.
Okay, you
right
must
now.
know why you want to sleep. You must know why you want to sleep and why your head hurt you. Just know that anywhere you go, me I come back at you too. Go on my business, me soon come.
Where you go?
Me soon come, me I go wake up the yard. What?
You know, cook, where clean up the
Me put 2 big stone in my pot, go and take out some.
Bust on. Alright.
Yeah, you reach the end? Oh, no, it's not the end. We have a movie behind. So who never watch it, can watch it. Who watch it already, can watch it again. Because it better for we, so we get more time to do what we're doing, so we can expand and go out to film. And I'm planning on a movie that's going to showcase in each community. I want to do it in each community. Practically the 14 parish we want to go through with it, where it's going to take time film, it's going to take time shoot, it's going to take time edit and everything, so people can come out and enjoy themselves. But mostly will be shown in Negril at the community center or Sheffield, both way. It will be shown at the community center at Sheffield. But whatever that's a Negril community center, where people can just come out, enjoy themselves, watch a good movie. So, something good is coming Sunday. Right from this channel. Something good is coming Sunday. You will see the trailer Thursday. Because the movie dropped today and Wednesday. So you will see Thursday. Differently, go on VM Films. We are going to drop movie there this Sunday. So after I watch a movie that I'm going to drop Sunday, you can go over there and watch it. Because the 2 movies going to drop same time. Practically half an hour behind. Because as I don't watch this, I'm not fully active over this. So So please beg you to subscribe right now. If you never subscribe, see me on the right here, so please subscribe to the channel, tell a friend, and remember, do subscribe to PFS Play. See you guys.
Oi.
As I come in,
So what you there long asleep? You cook?
I do as me do the bathroom, me clean and sleep.
You clean the bathroom but look on the yard?
So I tired, I know my bathroom take time.
Oh, you're tired. You're tired. Which girl can come on me yard?
But me just tell you some me do.
Which girl can come on me place?
Well, me just tell you some me just not too long done do.
You think some me not joke with you?
Me bathroom me clean up.
That's all I know to do. Is lay down and sleep. I said, I'm going there and I'm going to look. Me I come.
I'm scared, so me not do nothing. Wait a minute. Suppose me there do something. Me not do nothing, you know. What me I do? Every day, yeah, give me one, yeah.
Because that all me come home can do, I see you lay down, prowl out, not do nothing.
Not because
While
me
me-
answer man sweet means say me I go cheat. Me not cheat, baby love. No. Me say me done David and you me a David. Me not look at woman.
So thing you idiot. Remember say me make you look so you know. Remember good you know. You work list. No, you're not even say you that get up one day and go get a job. Nothing at all. And me have to
Alright.
feed and clothes. Then you know back chat to me.
I'm sorry. But listen, if we go out there, you know when me come in, where you come from? So I what me I come from? You not come from a work a girl yard. I mean,
Because that's all you know to do. Appear cheated
so now
cheat.
that you know want me go work, cause you go say me I look girl.
Who?
You.
Who? That's all right for me, you. You just work this. You just want to leech off of me. But me not no problem with you now. But the fact is, yeah, can girl come on my yard every day. Me hear you. Me hear about you.
You see no?
Me hear about you. People tell me I road.
So no come check me yet.
Also, you want a girl to come check you, yeah?
Jesus Christ, me just a say.
Okay, so that's your plan. That's why anytime you go on road, that's what you go do.
Me not have a plan.
As me come home, you come and disrespect me. Eh? And me I disrespect you, look for me, so now you feel like you're growing, now you want to come beat me, you want to come abuse me.
Me know I never put me on fire.
Yeah, so I raise the voice at me now, all of a sudden.
No voice allowed.
So you not talk to me in that calm manner, talk to me so loud. Relax. Me ask if you cook. So I'm gonna cook. If you come in and cock up my foot and can't do that, me have to cook, don't it? For feed you, for make you feel good. From the time you sleep, I know you choose to go cook.
Let me show you how I'm tired and I just doze
Stop
off.
raise your voice after me.
Oh, exactly. I'm doze off. That happened, you know, go.
Oh, after so that means that's so you want after me, you want abuse me. And that. Okay. No rest of you are growing now. Go cook if you want to cook.
Everything we say.
And make me get my food to eat. Me not talking with you.
We don't want to eat.
Oh, so yeah, ask more want to eat now.
Post we go cook, we say, I be say really cook them.
Just cook your food, man.
Alright. Give me a bag, man, I carry me bag.
If you take out my money, go mind, girl.
See, we not to be helpful. Man, a gentleman again. Nah, it's alright.
Sister girl. What do you feel good, so? What do you feel so? Good. You feel good? Oh, girl, right now, come over your yard right now. I come check up on you. So, what your man there? Which one? How much money you have? No one man you have and the good man you talk about? Yeah, work. Oh, girl, but she not give money now. But she say don't give money. Good money I have. See, they have plan to go build a house. See, and if you come to all broke down board house, yeah. Don't give him bun. Good man. A good man. Good man. Good man. What you call good man? Somebody wanna abuse you, who love you, goes out and work and come back and give you money and have to work. You dey work? Are you working? Where the choke man? Me just tell someone feel sick. I ask what me a choke on. That does sound right. Cause me say about good man. Listen, he not give me what me want. So for my information, I no good man to me. I want something short? No. So why am I not good man? He not give me the beating the mommy want. That's what I need. No. But I want to love the thing. You say Billy say yeah idiot. Me Billy said vagina we come out now because you know no sense. Where one man not to beat you for? Eh? Say if man no beat you, say if man no beat you, man no love you. Say one man fi thump in your mouth. You feel if I was to thump in your mouth, you come to me a date and me thump in your mouth. Yeah, no man. You have a sister. I say me thump in your mouth for the man. Oh. And if you thump no, if you thump them too pian, they're too weak. She's a girl there. And if you them me want. So let me tell you this plain and truth. You better take that little foolish thought you have in your head and stay with the man. The man is a good man, the man have money and the man not give you bun. Oh, you want a bad man? A bad man you want? That me want. See if anyone me want a man where act like them a woman. I mean a woman in a relationship and I me act as a man. Me not see sense. So you tell me say, when I get the man touch, I man first box it and kick it down. They even rough me up. If me do nothing, I'm like, I not saw that girl. So tell me how does that work? So tell me, you know, you there with a man, right? The man come out one day and lick you in your head, you dead. Or me if you go tell fool brother say, eh? You know say what's that fool brother? Cause all him are the next idiot. Cause me hear say a woman about abuse him. Right. So the 200 no sense. 200 sense. And you fit there with fame woman. Where this we come from the same ginger. Like the way who you call idiot? No, me a bigger sister no. Me never run out of me under there. Eh? You know you me say me never run you out. So they did run out me. And then train in a temper. I train to come back here yard? Yeah. Because you no manners. Who no manners? I can't deal with you. Who can deal with you? Can it take time and go on? Look on God, me head. They see you little giant head girl. You go and get where you look for. Me say you go and book up on a get you me. Go on, man, go on. You go book up on a real bad man. You book up on a real bad man. Want in tumble the two front teeth them. And me go come tumble for your two yard. No. Go on. Me come go chair yard. Black time for you. Yeah, go on in yard. Go on. Your mother. How long you take for ready? Chop. Let's have big up.
I can't complain.
Why food?
Flour I just mix up fast, you know.
Yeah. And then I say I can't bother with the youth. Every time I come from, me can't get one nice good meal. So me just there I take care of you for nothing at all.
Remember, say me know, say more than 10
What
flour
this?
you eat,
What
so
this? What this? What this? What this?
I don't know. Actually, me tired now. I don't feel good. I'm happy.
Man, not tell me say that. Eat up. I'm gonna finish the food. You're bright and out there. You can't tell me boy you're tired. Tired way. Tired with spot. Which spot are you tired? Me hungry. And I want me to come from.
See, so
No, me there. Good evening.
What happened?
Me there good?
Yeah, me alright.
So what happened? I cook? Oh, I like a 6 year good?
So you asking that? Are you alright? No, do him.
And my brother look like to him sick. You see?
Something do you?
not feel good, fam.
What cause if you not feel good? What cause if you not feel good?
Tired.
So no, sir. What kind of woman you be?
Oh, you're tired?
What kind of woman you be?
No, me a do you nothing? Me a do you nothing? Oh, so me no know you talk about kind of woman maybe.
You know, see you coming like one idiot like.
With what? Where my idiot with? Where my idiot with?
You know, I know. It's a yawa. You look sick and you cook before the woman get up. And you forget about cook food game for eating.
Oh, so if you go and work, come back from work and give him money, give him pocket money, take care of him, bathe him, clothe him, do everything. And
Yeah,
still turn around, take care of the house.
Yeah, baby.
So him for just there cock up and enjoy his head.
Yeah,
Please.
yeah.
Me never disrespect you yet. Right? Me say, me never where
What
you
are the
in
people
my
in
bag?
bag? Are she a baby? You want somebody to be here? So why you make woman a baby? Oh, so you have a big baby? Big baby fear. You want some beating. You want
Leave
some
people business alone.
No, I'm my brother.
It don't matter.
It matter. See business and my business.
It does not matter. It look like it one day. We keep a question you so.
I told me no say if I need little and grow up, he make woman rule him.
No, let me hear you.
I can't never get.
Let me tell you this girl. Take your time and talk to my brother. Take your time and talk to him.
Tell the brother say we gonna look work and take care of himself and then that time then nobody won't talk to him now.
Oh, so true, yeah, mind him. True, he can't get a job yet. You mind him.
And Trey, if me wait too long for my food and I like it.
So when you come here, you never that work.
No selfish no the day I want to be being alone.
So about the money I make you? Yeah, go down my market go buy selfish.
Oh, me now go downtown.
And now you just said to me a while ago? You said nah.
Say no. So she hear properly.
You're not gonna do what? I go buy selfish. But I ask her, anyways, Miss, what reason? What you want?
I'm my sister.
In a
Look at me. It's a yard, I might do a pay the bill, but a yard and my brother, yeah, now come here. You understand?
Trey, please tell her to go home.
Tell me if I go home.
Tell my sister.
Tell her if you go home.
I should tell me what I am, because I saw they have woman to beat her. You come be like my sister.
Tell her to go home.
Yeah, me say.
Why am I run my sister?
Tell her sister to go home. She in our business. Tell her to go home.
I mean, my talk to.
Tell her to go home.
Warning.
Serious? I could never be him a talk to.
Tell me if they talk to.
My sister, I can't go come back.
No, it look like that for you. When a woman gonna walk. You fool like our sister and no sense.
Tell a woman.
What we you don't know say your sister run your tiny yard.
Sister run you?
Run your tiny yard, but me say, are you? They say you know, most you the one man. If you pick up my sister, because my sister like when people beat her. And you, she
You're not gone yet.
No, we're not gonna let
Me
soon come back.
to go home.
No, man, I disgrace for the family.
Yeah, I put pepper in a baked bean and make it.
I know that, but you see next time your sister or nobody come here and you tell them about my business, but what happened here, I ring off your mouth. You're bright. Do anything you want to do to your food. Just left right in front of me.
I put pepper on the baked bean.
If you ever pepper no food in there, see. Be sure.
Yeah, looks so.
I am.
10.
Alright, then woman, if you tired.
Sleep.
Are you tired?
Yeah.
You cook?
Food in my kitchen.
You cook?
Soup. You want soup?
Nah. You could have asked me.
Anyways, we have something to talk to you about.
Yeah. You be a talk here, you just take over so.
Alright, then. So what you have to say?
You just say, today, you could even ask me how work do. How work go.
Alright, how was the day?
See you more. Feel like boss man just I try to push me out. What? I give up. Yeah, give you take care and you know I go all out. So I work on the house done so. And as soon as it done, you don't know moving and that. Start the next one, can rent it out. I think forget your car. All of the luxury. Cause you deserve it. I just sorry I can't spoil you as much as I want. I know I spoil it, but I mean as how I want it. And it break my heart, but I beg you be. See me a chance. See me a chance. I promise things are gonna get better. Just don't play my heart. No work too hard for that.
Me not play the hard.
Okay, good.
But
But
the connection we used to have it like the day again. Me not feel the energy. The energy not did it non-stop.
hold on. You could take this slow. I'm not think my ear correctly. So I could take this slow. Go again.
Alright, you always said so. I said this so have it has pain. It is breaking apart.
Alright, we could take it slow. So alright, it have fade, but what the cause? What the root cause? Because how something we can work on because from my end, I don't have no history, I never hear really a complain. I say yo because me do what I'm supposed to do. Provide grocery. Me do your hair, do your nails, me do everything. As a man can do. And I can do so much and no more. And if we use everything where we have all of the resources for hair and clothes and something, then when I have nothing to build with, and you have to look on that, I try my best how much me can do. Be honest, you know I work. One and watch the other. So you tell me now and tell me if I'm being unfair because I more likely feel like you are being unfair to me.
But just not feel the energy anymore.
Now, what you really want me to do? Tell me what you want me to do.
Plus, me hardly get attention.
All right.
It is just
Hold on.
and work.
Let's take it slow. What do you mean by hardly get attention? Because when we come in from work, phone put aside. I do my focus on me try watch one show there. Yes, more while I TV I watch me and you know how that go because what? Me I work out. You know what that mean. I gotta work I gotta work 7 days a week. And I like me no want to rest. And when me come, me no go out with me no party, me no dance, me no drink. So where does that come from? You can't mash up me there.
Me mash up the head. Just that me not feel it.
So you want to work on this because you're willing to find the money and make go council because me really don't want you give up on me. Me feel like there's better. And you just need to just look around this age and make a polish off the rough edges and get this thing. You have to tell me what you're up to.
But I think this can work.
Just like this.
Mm-hmm.
You're sure enough somebody else?
Well, no. I don't have nobody else at the moment.
Be honest with me. Where does that come from? Because you don't have nobody else you say. But me can't understand this.
But just not feel you. I not
All right.
feel you. I not get the vibes.
What me can
Vibes
do?
gone.
What me can do to make you really understand?
Give me more attention, and if you not give me no more attention, I'm gonna leave.
So what me I gonna do? Stop from work for focus.
Never say I must stop from work.
But me not understand because when I come in as me say, from come in, I do all attention depend everything there aside. So what
You call
else?
attention.
Babe,
We sit down, me try watch a show there as me explain. Me
And by
talk
the
to you
time
about
she
me day.
gone, a Java seed.
Honestly, that's no fault of mine. I just nature.
Talk!
Be, you are one. You have to give and take. You want things done in the house, you want hairstyle, you want everything. I mean I work towards that. So I'm tired. Yeah, make it look like a spite me do it for or something. Be, give me a chance. Correct on this now. Please.
See there now, you all are beg me, you say please. You now man up, man. You want some back sometime. And in the bedroom, couple little backs. You just soft so. Right now, I come like a mere man in a relationship. See my friend out there? She tell me how much backs her man a give her. And I show her love. You want some strong love too. Feel love too weak, brother. Me nah get the love. That love ya, I no feel it. This love too soft. More strong love. You need to man up and do better.
What you said to me really don't make sense now. I try to understand. Why would you want me to abuse you? Cause your body nice. Be, how will I influence you? Cause why me I wonder if you drink mad puss piss or something? Cause me here I go on the man. Stop the foolishness. We could work on this. I feel I need counseling. I can't love you and abuse you. That's not no love what you talk about. I second time you come to me with this nonsense, you know. The last time you come and talk about Keisha, man, when Keisha asked him for lunch, I say, hey, idiot girl, a bull and back jokes and Ray, and I kick you for kick me down and Ray. My friend, that not gonna work with me. I love you, and I genuinely love you. I can't abuse nobody with me love. I know some of you show love. In fact, I never grow so. So for that you come to me with it, friend, here.
See there, me and him a talk and him just gone. Before him strangle me, like what Shensia say. And put me down. Why? Me can't. No. Nope.
Wagwan! Why me I tell you?
You see that? So when
Yeah,
you
no,
plan
some
to
of
cook
the
today.
say no wagwan.
Ja.
I tell
Rim
you.
Tim.
What you
Long
mean,
time no
man?
see you.
Then
Hotted.
just release some
But that
people,
you
you
walk
know.
come in with a hotted thing there cause me the war.
No, me
You're
I
gonna
tell
give
you.
a negative energy.
Me say what the boy they hold me and send me go down go spend 6 months in prison.
What you mean?
Cause so look nigga beat me up, but I know that I'm a woman man, me just have to get rock like 2 fists.
Why, man?
No man, if it's true I say when I love somebody, you put them in a adjust them in a some, give him to a thump and choke him.
Why? Seriously?
What you mean? How you think me love her? I saw me show her my love.
Lose off for you, bro.
Why?
Real man no hit you, man. Real man no hit pitney like that, brother.
No.
You no hit man and you no hit pitney like that. Me understand your discipline you, but like, if you kick down and pitney and box down and pitney.
No, I'm a
bro.
woman.
Yes, but me I say you real man no hit woman and hit pitney like that.
She love when me rock like 2 fists.
Papa, I'm not even want you to talk this one, my woman, she go feel like, say, yo, this is something where she can adapt to and feel like, say, welcome, bro.
No, I saw me and my woman find love. Because when in that bedroom and we are doing things, I'm catching our midlight, you know, give 2 fists after that for him body Jordan.
Papa, I understand when you make love and you're going to slap her, but when you say, like, fight her, no, bro.
No, son. How you think my love would have come? My love, it have it stronger. I saw you show woman love. A bad man they want. So you have to give them bad man love. What a little talk here. Oh, what time I serve? You have to show bad man love. Oh, bro, man.
Bro, there has to be a better way, you know. How? You have mediation, Whether you could have go talk to somebody, you could have even call me and tell me, say, yo, you're a woman have a problem, brother. I could have show you a better way.
At 7 years, me and her there. And if she did have a problem with that, she'd have left me. Every time she look for me, every time me and her fight, she get up in her man, baby, me love you. I say breakfast. I fast, me say breakfast. Me. From me, meet her when me never used to beat her, me not see food cook. So if your man cook, thank God. Let's rock like to office, man. I said, you have to do it.
Oh, man.
Huh?
Disappointed in you, bro.
Oh.
Disappointed in you, bro.
So let me ask you now. So if your woman do something wrong, you know, rock like to office?
No. I know some me grow. It look like you grew a different way. Your father used to beat your mother.
I don't know, but in life, you don't want a man beating.
Nobody bring that to her. No, she's being comedic. Nobody with that.
No, sometimes they love that.
No, but me tell her she's being comedic now.
What if you can slam her in the wall? I say, girl, what you do? I still they like it.
You ever consider yourself, say if you do that to the wrong man pitney or the wrong man sister? What me happen?
No, me not feel say, in life, me not feel say that don't happen, you know, but.
Okay.
You see, as a bad man, you know, of adjust a woman. If I that thing like you hold me, you jerk him and you say, yeah, sit down here, sir. You like that in turn on.
Interesting.
That's some of them, you have many ways how them turn on.
Interesting.
Some of them like when you touch them on their neck. Some of them like when you grab them throat.
Me agree with everything what you say.
Right.
Me not say woman don't like that, but me I say you just have to be careful because you gotta just slip the wrong man sister or the wrong man daughter. And you know where you gotta go? 6 feet under. So you might not lift it, tell the tale the next time I come talk, or you just come from prison.
You have a point, but I rather, you know.
Papa, I mean, want you follow with me later, you know, so you know what? We'll see you. Boy, sometimes I wonder what going on with all the young people here. You hear what my virgin said to me today?
What a song why you deal with me? That's exactly how me I tell you to deal with me.
You know, joke, you know. You watch too much cartoon.
I watch cartoon, darling.
I must joke, you joke. Say that really want me put my hand on you?
Yeah.
You work better than this. You work more than this. Why me keep ask you. Somebody want me love. Why me that damage you? And guess what?
I sign up showing love.
Oh.
Then I hear where your friends say. Or you have somebody else out there. You have somebody else.
Nobody with the foolish. No. Nobody with the
I'm
foolishness.
just asking.
What kind of foolish is that becoming a beat to me have somebody?
I'm just asking.
Look on this. You might not be so lucky, you know. You know how much girl a ball so they want to beat them, yeah. You might not be so lucky. You might end up 6 feet deep. You ever think about it? You see much woman dead in a domestic dispute? Stop going like you're blind. Come on. Your eyes are open but you're still asleep. If me do you this be, that means me not love you. Why would I do you that? You feel me?
No, because all the way I said to come to this is and look back out your next.
You make me sick to my stomach. Me never ever imagine me that see somebody think like you. I follow. You know this is not you.
Of course it's me. But me understand say you're not that type of person, you know, put your hand on a woman. But I can change. Me want to feel some pain sometime. Not just social love not go that way, you know. Me want to feel some pain. That's all me ask, so me not ask you not how much.
Shanti. Lose her for you. Lose her for you. The only pain may expect you to feel. And when I give birth to a youth, what kind of abuse you want me to abuse you? Boy, I wonder if you, I want to say something, but God help me. You want me to change and become a monster? Why?
See, as someone why you deal with me. See the vibes you're just talking a while ago, you just turn me on all of a sudden. Is that so hard?
Shut up. Shanti, you get me ignorant, you know. You get me ignorant. But me, when you see us, will never put me hand upon you. So if that's you want, find a way out.
Alright, if I say you want it, burn under your cloth.
Babes, no, we're not on no good term. But I push out. So take care of yourself until I come back.
Go and work, man.
I'm reaching here early. Oh, that sounds so.
Yeah, I gotta work, me, I gotta work too.
Oh, that's.
Don't worry yourself, we can't go and work.
No, time ago, I'm already late. Shanti! Shanti! No answer, she no answer. No. Shanti! This big woman move like Pitney, man. Oh, wait. Shanti! Be voicing in there, get out. On your horse. Maybe she could. Yo, G.
Wagwan.
Sorry, we call you so early, man.
Why, man, tell him, me up, man, me up.
I think you're a job, uncle.
No, stop, me get up, man. That's how me get up early, man.
Yo, I was Mr. Sorry for calling you so late. I'm asked me ask you if you see him.
Oh,
Shanti, man.
Shanti.
Mr. Moms, you know, say I'm bona fide, bro.
Why?
I'm bona fide, man.
You know, that one them can't answer you about, you know, trust me.
Really?
Yo, them girl, they are bad girl, yo. Can't really.
Ah, here. I know why you say nothing about my woman, brother. You know why you...
But
no, I don't mean for disrespect you, but here me I say no. That information there, not revealed to me. Me never see no like that. So me no want call, me no want make no assumption. I me no want you tell me no I make my head go. So yo.
Alright, so you see if you don't believe in me, G. You know me,
bro. As me say, me no want. Let me find out for myself.
No, I think I home show you. Say, can you not believe in me? I tell you, them girl, they're a bad girl.
It's alright, bro. As you say.
That's true, man. She come.
Yo, later.
Alright.
Where you come from?
I'm going to the page. Because you not give me, so I'm going to search for it.
Shanti, where you come from?
You know, you want me to say a while ago. Okay.
Shanti. You know, so I call my boy since day and since morning I'm tell me say I'm bad somebody I say yo. And he come like say yo, you approve him, right?
Mm-hmm. So you never tell us say I feel bad me.
I make you. I promise you say me not put me on. See your nail cast. And I make you send me to prison. Shanti, we have a youth together and this you do. Shanti, and this you do.
What am I doing? You not give me something to search for it.
Anything you do to me, I will return to you tenfold. Just remember me to tell you that.
A matter of fact, cut the
Remember
long talking. You see, this you have to go leave. Because him have to move in.
So me talk to you. And because me talk to you. Oh. So you ask me if I leave.
And that me say.
Tell me say you're a joke.
Me look like me a laugh.
Shanti, be careful when you ask her. Take it from me. This is idiot here. Be careful when you ask her. This might just come back for you and you. And me, I tell you, say, if you not go through that door to them, me can tell you, Shanti, me, I cure your ball, I cure your beg, God alone can't tell me look on you. This side, Shanti, this side where you are. Something joke me run. You tell me about come out, and that's why I didn't know so I should have moved in with you in the first place, you know.
You don't talk. You done with the bag of yapping. You can't leave now. You want me open the door for you?
It's all good. It's all good. Just remember, say, me, it hurts. Yes, it hurts. But me, I will get over. I will be back on my feet again. Just remember today when I tell you that. May God bless you. Keep you.
Papa. Oh, I won. No, man. With the head.
And I pocket here.
What you talking about? Listen, man. Cool. That's cool enough for that, man. And you got. If you. I just try.
What me I talk about, Papa? Because you jump to conclusion. What me I talk about?
Maybe
You guilty of something?
No, not really.
You not really. Not really. Yes, no. What?
Wait, alright, get it. Come not really understand where I try to say. You know, because we just go down, pour a little cool drink, and follow my, alright. Maybe you're fine, maybe she tell her, yeah.
Oh, so you admit, say, oh, you're there with Mama.
No, man, I don't really there with her. She just call
You're
me.
not really, what?
She just call me. I said she had spent her one night. No, it's alright. Do her one night. I'm taking you some playing cards into the trap from the give you pie, you know? But if she tell me they wanna left. So me I say, boy, if you left then we take her up. But me didn't know that when they call me and she didn't get ready and me just follow her come down.
Oh, so you want to call you. And you said to me, say you're a bad girl.
Yeah, me I give her hint. Me I give her hint. But she think that somebody else me I talk to on the phone. That's why me say to you, say me I tell her come but you hang up.
Papa, tread lightly.
No man.
Papa,
And that's how we grow, man. You know,
tread lightly.
you know some woman make you share.
Me? I'm not going to hurt you. Because they understand say a woman. But you and me as you know, you're going to do it to another man. Papa, I take you as a friend. As a virgin. Papa, we are far from day one. When the boss nearly lick you down and me the boss lick because I run out for save you. And this are the payback.
No, me thank you enough time. Me tell her thanks. Me never used to go to church and me go to church.
Papa.
Me thank you.
Papa, so whatever you do to me, it will come back 10 times and more.
No, but I pray for that, man. It be say, yo, we had him left, so. What me a
I
man?
mash up my life.
Oh!
So good.
Yeah.
This all good.
No, for real.
Papa,
How many weeks?
Shanti tell me to come out of the house because you are coming. She never mentioned say you, but she said me to make space.
Shanti tell us that you fi come out of the house because me a move you.
I teach you to talk or it sound better when I say it. I want to know because I don't understand what I just said. Yeah, repeat what I said.
So Shanti want me left my little spooky way to come live with her.
Papa, job well done.
No,
Keep up yourself.
no, my brethren, yo, we can't reason this out. Man, sit down back. Shanti, shut too much. Alright. You see anything when you create, you're going to solve it. You know, I'm wicked out here. You're here. Tired. Tired like a dog, man.
You ever tired?
No, man, remember I me have to walk to you, know, man. And you have kill me out. So you want a real bad man, you know, so. I have to bad it up still, but I say so. But, me have to take a break from you. A little. You know?
What do you mean take a break from you?
No, me have to visit my yard too. I 3 days I skip my yard and I can't do that.
So who you have in your yard?
Me not nobody in my yard, but I just me alone. But me still have to
So
give
you
me.
run the yard go do?
Sometimes a man needs space. Remember say,
You can't stay, that's why I give you space.
no, bad man have to have them real toughy. You know, target out space. You see me? So I don't want you to come go on like say, me fit Tanya forever.
But you never say if it's on forever.
Yeah, and that's you want hold me act. Remember, you know, you put out your man, you know, cause you want to feel pain. Yeah, you understand, say, you love rough sex. You love when time you box it up and beat it up, you see me? But sometimes I have to give myself some time. I want to treat them yard. I miss me yard, you know. I have some clothes down there for washing, I have to clean up. You understand? So if I see me for 3 days, you have to just roll with it. You get the point? So how was it?
It was okay.
It was okay. Oh, yeah, a bad man to take for you that. I take me for you that.
May I take a feed?
You come talk about it. You are okay. Say yes! I'm not going to grab me on my throat. But them something, that's why you see sometimes you have to cut your 2 boxes, you know, man, because you're going like you're a nerd. You're a nerd, man. You're a nerd. You're a nerd. Listen, my virgin have me up sick of you, you know. Yeah, me never remember. Yeah. When you see me one day on the rain I fall, it told me shame. Me barely could have looked on the man. I tried to hide. And boy, I couldn't believe that man have me because of you. You're stupid. You shouldn't tell him to me. You shouldn't tell him to me. You shouldn't do that.
Me never tell him say you.
Why?
He figure it out.
Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you come like, you know, I'm up now. That's why I'm going to, you know.
How will you look for?
I alcohol, me need for man.
So you look for alcohol you open the door?
Come feel like I couldn't breathe through it just a while ago. I don't like it. I don't like it. You have to chill sometime, man. Eh? Yo. Every time you feel beat you, why? I don't like beat you, man. Although I'm a bad man. And a bad man will remain as a bad man. You understand?
Mm-hmm. Me understand you.
Why you understand? Yeah, good. You understand me, man. I like that. Oh, I think there's somebody walking in the yard, you know, because hey, go for Matic, you know, man. And
Me never yet see you with Matic, and you love Tabo Matic.
don't worry about that, man. Me have my gun seal on my yard. Me have 20 gonna come down.
Okay.
You don't worry about that. Just enjoy your life and go and relax. Go all asleep.
As this man sexy sleep. I want this man. What can go so? I could have beat down my door. I'm going to phone. How can I help you?
Get a direction for the house. Yeah, who you? I have some yes on the man there.
Which man?
You have my money in your house to hide or what? What do you mean which
You
man?
look like a kidnapper, miss. Me not have no man hide here.
Me no idiot. Me know how my man look. From back way, side way, front way, everywhere. You can't stop me from coming at this. Me I go prove it today. You should even take off my shoes. Can't say a lie. What you doing here, so?
So why
And
you
who
beating
she?
up Safa? Who she?
The woman,
Your woman.
Who
So
she?
Who me be?
the girl.
They a girl. And she a woman.
What you do here?
What do you mean when me are doing here? What you are doing here?
Oi! What is a going on my house?
What going like right?
Alright, just say a woman, not true.
What
How
really?
your woman find me yard?
What really are going on?
Yo, relax, you know. Relax your
How
mouth.
your woman find me yard?
Relax your mouth, you know.
Nobody can talk to me like
my
say.
woman attack you, relax your mouth, you know. Come in at this, you know. Sit your ass down. Sit down.
What the work could that?
Sit down. Me, I work, me get time to just come to work. She have paid me for work. I'm tired of me say me a catch a sleep.
Me, I pay you for do what? What me I pay you for do?
Shut up!
Yeah. Me find a way. I'm a see culprit.
You are coming.
Me find a way, man. Taxi man drop me off the right place. And then me see one little dirty girl in her. And you don't know, so my man lay down off in a bed. Who else catch free asleep? Me make sure so me take him picture. Because me know he lie. I when I see him panic and he say a lie. So me have a picture in my phone because me know he stay. Then the little dirty girl when have in here so I can chat about who me. But at the same time, I want to know how she know where yourself, my friend. Thank you for giving me the direction. Me find a way. When me see you later, me talk to you and tell you this book. I never go so.
You see that picture?
Yeah, ask me something, I don't know.
You're a dream, man. You're a dream.
Dream.
I work me get.
What you doing at woman bed if I work? You get you working at the bed?
No, I'm not working at bed. Me, she come to wake up the yard. I mean,
When?
So, hold on. You work with her?
yeah, she give me work.
So, you dey work with her and you dey there with her?
No.
So, two type of work you do with her. So, if I rake, you dey rake. What you doing at
Me
bed?
tired.
So, garbage in this bed there. You have garbage in the bed. Where you rake it out. So, you're supposed to rake out all of the garbage. You supposed to rake out all of the garbage out of this
Why
bed.
you embarrass me?
Eh? So, now me understand. And know for your lifestyle, say you don't want no good woman. You like rake out garbage out of bed.
Me think you did say you're a bad man.
Shut your mouth! Me didn't tell her that. Me didn't
Oh,
tell
so
her
you
that.
have strength to
And
shout
that-
after me.
Hold on.
You can't shout after
Oi,
she.
oi. Oh, you calm me now, so. I'm not care who for house this. I'm not response for that right now.
Shut
You
up.
hear what me I say?
See how I'm going.
Listen what me I say and stop telling people my business.
Shut up.
Lucky things say lies. Now want you.
Shut up.
You chat too much, man. I like man, I love chatting, you want you. What you do you so? Look how you act like you're a baby now. And you're the behind me back a cheat for me. You what?
Me not cheat, me ain't do nothing.
You know, just tell me say you're in the bed a creep out garbage.
No, me
Eh?
say me asleep.
I rake you the rake.
No, me did a rake out the door.
But you're catching in the bed.
Yeah, come
So that means garbage in the bed too. So you done rake out it. Till you drop a stick because you're tired. Eh? So when you come home now, you don't have no time for me. I say, Nobody now come out of this. That's what I want to feel like. Nobody now come out of this.
You're not reason about this. Reason that no.
What you mean? Me and
It's the
she
reason
reason.
for that.
Are you look her? Girl, are you look me man or him look you?
Him look me.
Me look you!
Hold on.
Yes.
How long since you know me, man?
Couple months.
A lie!
Achoo.
A lie, I just one year, she left put out her man and tell him to come over here, come keep her company. Me I tell her the truth. To come keep her company, but me tell her, I say, listen, me have no woman, so
Lie,
me not going to do nothing.
Lie.
You notice they come go see me, I sleep, right? Me sleeping like cat.
So how you sleep in our next woman bed when you have your woman? The wait must be 3 days now and 3 nights. Me no see you no tall in my eyesight. What is the problem?
I tell you, tell me I kidnap
Me?
kidnap.
Me look like a kidnapper? Don't tell a lie for me.
No machete in her, right?
No, me not have machete.
No, you know what?
It's so.
She have a deal. She have a deal, me remember me tell her. She have a deal. Her husband when she put out have 50 million to collect, right?
How would that concern me
No.
and you? After we money?
Please.
No, you know, that's the deal coming between me and you. No.
No. So you plan for woman money?
Don't touch me.
I catch you and catch me with your girl money.
No, she gonna give me.
Where you do buy out this story?
No.
You not come out of it.
Hello.
Mine know you point up your... Hey, no me
Hey,
post bad out
you
here.
want lose it?
Mine know you point
You
up your
want
finger in my
lose
man
it?
face,
Keep
you
it
know.
on.
Oi, so. See me good can't satisfy you.
You can't. No, she gonna give me 20 million.
I money you dey talk about. So woman can buy you away from me. You're cheap.
No, baby, but you never get. And you me a work if
So me if I allow you to sell your body, if you can't give me money. How that go? That means say me and you can make a deal then. Since as a that you depend.
me nah.
You want to hear the deal? Because you're too hype. You want to hear the deal?
Why you?
Eh? You want there with she continually while me get a next man? Come remember say you're jealous like dog.
No.
Remember say you not even want answer fly touch
Don't
me.
come near me.
You not even want to see one man run you, you're ignorant and fool.
No, baby, no.
But you want to do what you don't want me to do. No. Is that fair? May I ask you a question? That fair? For you cheat on me, you're a womanizer, and me just sit down at home like a yammed? Eh?
No,
Where you take me for fool and some dunce?
me.
Look here, you see the illiterate girl where you talk to, and I come go on like I want to style me, we can't even walk in my shoes. And that you do?
You can't walk in my wife's shoes that my wife is to be.
Okay. Your wife to be, you're in our next woman bed. You're a wicked, I see if me and you did married, you like a woman in a matrimonial bed. You're a wicked, evil, lucky drunk.
If you want to ring the finger, them, that means it's sealed, everything sealed. Me want to do it. So we can't go now, we can walk in
go
the
which part?
bathroom.
If me never come in here so you're down there sleep still, you breathe her? Eh? Because sometimes when you don't breathe woman, you know, you fall asleep instead of a woman. See there? Or something she give you make you can't wait.
I told she knocked me, she kidnapped me, I have me a 3 days and hold me with
and you have the heart to tell me. I'm finna come home over 3 days now. 3 nights now, me ain't not sleep. And me call up on phone and you go tell me about I work here, they work. I work for you. Because see I rake out the trash out of the bin. You rake out the trash out of the bin. Because you already tell me say I rake did I rake out trash.
Girl want 20 million. Tell her. Please tell her say your husband don't get
Oi.
Me?
Yeah.
You see money. For what?
You don't want to live. You don't live your life.
Hello, you better talk fast enough.
Me not no money I give nobody.
And money talk and bullshit walk. You see, if me not hear when me want hear right there, so I dead before this now. Yo, sit down there, so. And not say nothing to me. All you, hey girl, go over there, so. Go over there, so.
You better listen. You better.
Take down here and shut there. Look, yo, shut up.
Come on, I'm ready.
Yo, me don't want you not talking for now. Make the deal right there, so now. If you don't want the excitement creating in this community here, right now, make a deal. And listen. Straight to me accord. How much money you give me, girl, and make me see you back with my man again. I pay me for now, slap you down a ground right now, you know. And that me I tell you. And me I give you one message. To go tell your family them say, anyhow me see you with my man again. Or even if me not see you, I just hear me ear. Or glimpse you. Hey? You're not going to stand up on 2 feet. You're going to lay down on your back. Hold that.
Pass my phone, Jimmy.
Yo, send it to me account. You see you? You know my account number. How many phone and give me can put in there? Come and knock out the 2 on in here where you feel like.
saying.
It in there? So me know your thing. Oh. I think I take it on silent. Lucky. Oh, lose the style. You have running belly. Sit down and wait until me tell you figure out.
Oh, what's up? The briefcase. Yes. The briefcase of money. Yeah, man.
You look like you own something in a girl house. A long time you are there. Come out. Chat, come out. Come out, Junko. You see you? You see if I never send the money at this savior, the money you have to pay to survive in this life. Pay to live in this life. You understand? Because if you not pay to live, you know say, if it's not life, it's death. All that. And I'm not talking with you, girl. Let me see you back with my man again. I not like it. I'm serious. Next time I now come empty-handed. You might tell you about me about you'll see it in your face next time. That me
I want this funny. Sister girl. You know, say I want to be your car. You want free now. You know, that's what you
Say I walk up on no. Say
Yes.
I no.
No, I'm not mad at you. Me really want to see. Really want to see you, cause you know, see you're mad. You're mad. You're psycho. Me don't know if out of my mother, vagina you come true. Not if I come from the said mother because you're mad. You have a good man, you know. You're good man. You left him. And so you want bad man, you want people fists in your face. You want pain. You know what is pain? Pain is when they pan period. Pain is when they pan period. And the pain they want? But you want man to thump in your face. See, you know, you pick up big idiot. Big fool papa, you pick up. When you have woman, I beat him. The woman not beat him. Eh?
I lecture you really come yourself to lecture me.
Yes, because you're fool. You're the bigger one, you have no sense like you never go to school.
I don't know say me are the bigger one. Why you raise a fight after me?
No, excuse me. You say true, you have no sense. If you short off you see you understand, you have no sense. We want man to beat up for you idiot. We want man to beat up for. Eh? We want man to move first. Not too close to my face. Not too close to my face.
I'm really attacking you.
No, but
Yeah,
you
idiot.
like your bad now, you know. No bother with you.
You have no sense.
I play me, you play soft. Me a bad,
I play
bad man.
You're a bad man.
You're bad when you're around me. Well, you're bad when you're around me.
No, me a
You're
bad man.
You think I'm a bad man when in the round.
Oh.
Bad man for you, but not bad man for she.
No, you got me box down. You see me go, me box down that.
Where?
Me tell
Every
me,
time I know man I come and hear you.
yeah, me tell me go and go box down that.
Something chat so
You
foolish.
tell me say the money, and me get the money.
Eh.
Me just give him 2 clap and say, yo, send the money in my account. Now, so me
Yeah,
know what you are
watch out.
talking about.
Watch it, I'm sure some say man a bad man. I'm sure them man say man a bad man.
What am I talking about?
Lord,
I want that.
I want this one. Alright.
Relax yourself. Relax. We are trying to prove a point. Relax.
You're a bad man, so me a try show you you're a bad man.
If I laugh at pronouns.
If I did bad man box me down long time.
No.
I idiot this. This is your fool.
Oh, let's tell me that, Khalid.
You know no
You,
sense.
because you act like one.
Box him right now, you know lick your back.
Yo,
Chuck him down, you know lick your back.
You're yo talking, now go shape me again.
listen me.
Cause after when me see go on ready, none of what you say can shape me
So tell
again.
what happened?
What happened with
The
you?
woman find me yard. I come over there, come beat him.
Lion! Hey,
Alright?
hey.
The whole community
Boy.
here because your
Lad.
woman up big.
Oh my.
You
So
believe-
where woman there now? Where woman there? I'll beat you.
You believe her?
But the whole community here, so obviously she go believe.
You know, say I want idiot.
Me a
No,
idiot.
you're the idiot.
Me a the idiot.
How you again?
Oh, I'm a sister. But I'm here to
Yes,
say
I
that
know
she
that.
got the
I
sense.
know that.
Eh.
It's not the first I'm seeing you. It's
So-
not the first to meet.
So you ask me for
So when you come and
Because
suffer?
you rang. So I say, oh,
who
you?
rank?
When you come
Man,
and
I
suffer?
tell it pick below your nose just smell. Come, me no rank. I'm a
When you come and suffer?
No, me say not touch you. When
When you come and...
me say to you, relax.
Nah.
yourself.
What's the man
Mercy.
but off my fingernails?
Relax. Me talk. Me talk. Me
You
say-
don't have no sense. No boy can do me that. No day, no time.
You ever have a man before?
No.
Good. So shut your mouth. Your sister loved me because me.
I
me panic
idiot
up.
that. I don't true vagina she come but at the other door she come out through.
And the vagina, the other door.
Which other door?
The other door I done there, cause I could never the vagina. Cause me come to the vagina and me have sense and me last come out.
Shut up, cut.
No cut. You know, but you got tight in your belly and you run got
Lord,
that she come through cause she no got no
No,
sense.
say this me.
You don't have none.
You are this me now?
What is you?
Yo, yeah.
Get some
Don't touch
sense.
me.
I can't link them later.
Link who?
No, you're never hear
Me
woman.
think you man come here so fi apologize.
No,
You come top up your face and I talk about, oh, me a call link you later.
Alright, my woman say apologize to you.
Your woman, so why your woman not come here so herself?
No, cause she afraid.
Afraid.
She not bad
She
woman.
afraid.
Me say
She
me go
don't
thump her
afraid.
in
As
the
far
eye.
as this she not afraid of nothing.
Sit to me.
So why
Ask
she
me
not there
carefully.
herself?
Sit to me.
Just
So
relax,
she-
man. Don't just
Relax.
argue too much.
She
Yo,
bad.
yeah,
Huh?
now follow your sister now. Because you see if you follow she, you turn idiot.
Are you right now? You are telling me an
Look
idiot.
at Fanny. What are you saying? You said me tell you now, say you left good rich man come pick up clothes. Me not top you say agree. You don't know.
Let me
Go
tell
on
you
your
this.
yard. Go on your yard. Go
Bad
on your
man, no.
yard. What?
Bad man no beard. Bad man no do them head. Real bad man just out a road a park.
Okay, me think you're a bad man, but no, me know you're a mad man. A mad man alone, me know no beard. Go on, go on,
Me
go
have to
on.
talk to you. Me have come.
One.
Me have come go about me. Cause you know how much. You just
You know what?
So everybody just got this. What's up?
Yeah.
Don't worry, bad man.
Oh, so you're serious? Me never tell some no you're on the yard.
We tell her to be a chicken later. I want to you, man.
Don't touch me. Don't touch. Hello, oi, it's you man there.
What?
Come here. No go in there. Don't put another step. Come out and to me.
I see.
Come. You're not left this
No,
yard there.
no,
What
no.
sweet you go and sour you. Come on.
No, you know. I see.
So why you take off your clothes?
No. Oh.
Put on your shirt.
No, me don't know how you come on. No.
Put on your shirt. Me know say no know you come off. You come off invisible. Don't put teeth your shirt.
Me
Come.
did, me just remember, me did hot.
Yeah, don't be take
Me
you
did
off
hot,
for you.
and
Don't
me
be
take
teeth
you off.
you off for you. Come.
But you know, me I do nothing. Me
What?
don't do nothing.
Where they do back at the yard when you tell us say
How me
nothing?
reach over here, so?
Yeah, actually,
How me reach here,
that's
yard?
your 2 foot them.
How me reach here? Babe, listen up. I'm going to tell you the truth. She tell me say you're over here, yeah? She call on the phone and tell me say over here. Over here. You want to talk to me and you.
Button up your clothes. I say you want to look on the road and come and get
You
yard.
call your phone? When?
Why you make sure lick every time? I want
I don't mean if
Why she put her hand for you?
I see you.
You're not still in a business?
No,
So what this right here so?
me don't want her.
Me not understand. Explain yourself. Quick and fast.
You know
Before me give you 2 out of 5.
Alright, don't tell her what happened. She called me, said she give me one.
Oi, I saw me see a little while in you can't see your name going there enough.
No, me
You
not
got
going.
rubbish again out of the bin. So,
No,
you put up one in your foot
No,
to say
me-
you never, hey, you know farm they trail you from?
Me sure.
Eh?
Me sure.
I'm glad she had trailer and sister I'll be a liar tell.
Hey girl, you look like you love people, man. Cause you're the arbor in here.
Me, oh, me
You
a
the
arbor
arbor,
here.
me man, yes so.
I'm say, oh, me a arbor, I'm here.
You see any of your breed, he not take it. Cause me never tell you say, you fi go give away your front for free. Oi, button up your clothes and come on and come out of this. Cause me don't want to get myself in a no problem.
No, but you don't understand me. I try to tell her, say, she tell me, she cry and tell me, say, you're over here. So,
Me? When me a do a you idiot old butterfoot girl yard?
maybe your money you can look at me now, say sometimes you licky for your money.
No rank with me. No rank with me. You know say enough to rank with me already. Girl no just send too much million in
Yeah,
on the
yeah,
account.
embarrass me in front of that.
Don't call me no that.
You see a fool? You mad. You see a fool? You're there with people man and them a call you mad in front of them. You see a stupid?
I know only
That's
you
why you
made.
had trailing, right?
I know
What
only
you
you
see happen
made.
a while ago?
Straight in there, him did a come. Me see him, me a trail him from way down a wall walk.
Actually, I have a pumpkin feel.
Which-
I mean, we didn't want to curve.
So
round
pumpkin feel you like.
it. No, me just want to curve out that little.
So you want to turn me in a pumpkin field or me not turn in a it for you so you can get
Come out of me.
Me never want it to go wild, so me tell her, I say, me I can help her with the field.
feel.
Yeah.
So she have, how much you call her now?
Yeah.
How much you call me? How much you call? So you weed out I'm Lana, you don't know how much you can be. You see a idiot? You see that who the way they use and weed out people and come carry back the road. Me tell you that. Come, go so. Anything where they give me man up. You know say I tell your time? I tell your time. Because I don't see you have nothing in there so when you want. More than you, they act like you're rich. I must see all your parents money your teeth. Because I hear say you don't have no money. Go so. Where you do? Where you do? Where you try to do?
No,
You're in love. You send a kiss with roses before you leave. Take with yourself.
You see me do that?
What me say if you do? Go on in your yard.
Come on, look.
Go on in your yard before me mash you up here. You hear me I tell you? You see all you girl? Me want you already, you know. And you make me come back and catch you man. I take time I tiptoe in your house. You come out ready to open up door to let him in. Say the in vehicle him to come in your yard.
Then they safe.
You see anything where they look for? You go so are you. Me love the warning first, you know. Yes, when me can't give the warning no more, then you will find out. Come out here, dirty thing.
Plastic man favor.
Like and king. I next time I know that come in and fall in.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh!
Go on, you man.
Don't push me.
Go on. I'm moving so. You're bad man, you want. I'm put it in. You want to put it in.
Yes, put it in. Put it in now. Put it in if you're bad. What did you just say you do? Put it in.
What you do?
Hey girl, you love take people man so.
Me and take care man.
You can't find your one man, you run with your man and I take alright, stay on it. You
couldn't wait till we come in. I'm going in.
Alright, big up yourself. Your bossy. Your bossy. Your bossy. Alright.
Let me try to stay before you come in.
Move! Open up this. Open up the door. Outside and bright.
Every time I see you, I see trouble.
Put it in.
Yeah, man, I put it in.
What do you mean? You not smell like piss. You not care out for your piss from morning and how much o'clock now. You not smell like piss, so them a nasty girl you want. Girl we are pissing a chimney.
No.
Then girl and a flush toilet, so you want them kind of girl like they make you used to things too much.
Some man say when you rent you better, because you know until you have goat, and you have goat, you have kill goat, the goat have to rent.
How you call goat?
You never call the goat.
Hey, a long time if you bust up your face and a girl. You want to leave me man alone, you know. Oi, me want you leave me man alone.
Yeah,
you want me
come
to
and
tell
help
you?
the customer.
I don't want to dust you out. I tell you a long time if you leave me man alone, you always shut your mouth in here. Shut up your mouth.
Help you, babes. May I help you?
Help me do it. Put it in.
Oi! You don't come out. Take out the...
See, I'm God Almighty thing. See there? See there? Piss. Me know me smell piss for a long time. Come out. Come out. Come out. Wear shoes. Come out.
Yes, you.
Come out.
You dash you a fear, right?
Me I go dash you a fear. Yeah, because me piss in there, so me I dash you a fear. Stand up, me I chat to you.
Huh?
Stand up.
How am I going to care?
Oh, you're there in a house with woman who don't care about them piss for a man. Look at this a
Don't
big
pay
old...
me.
This a big old piss spot here. Eh? Iowa. So you think me need to trail you? Your fees say me not have your upon you.
So
Your fees say me not have some satellite dish in the area. Anyway you there me know.
So
Boy,
you want me?
take that. Go. You smell rank or beard. And that you do a this me and I give me bun. Let them know. Nasty girl yeah.
I feel this thing.
No, really,
Big
I'm
old
up here, so.
It's that.
What do you? You make a man dash piece by the picture and catch me.
Hey, yo. Come out of people business.
No.
Come out of people business. Nobody no call you here so. And that you forget. That you forget me warn you a long time.
And I you say you're a bad man.
Hey girl, I should have hear about me that she piss
And
in
you
you know.
say...
Cause you're a piss.
That's true.
And you say you're a bad man. And I take piss in her face. What can go so?
He go so. Because you nasty. And you know much I
Me
can
nasty, but me not take piss in my face.
After 5 I go 6.
What
And
can
daylight
go
from
so?
morning. It go so.
Yo,
And this go so. What can go so? And
Now
this
come
go
back
so.
to
The
me and
nastiness
do it.
you have in the from
listen me,
morning.
me done with you, you know.
Then oh you
Me
know
done
no
with you
know.
long
Me
time.
done with you because you're
Come out of
pissed.
me yard.
Right?
Oh yo.
Done with that. Me not.
You know I no
All
nose.
that come out of me yard.
You not have no nose. As we
When-
go in there, me smell rankness.
Me will
And
tell
you
you
in the bowl let me put it in and you not smell like the piss there.
Yes, when
That mean the girl not beard from mine, but you see when. Me no want you nothing from you.
When man, they put a pump mission or where you want to call it, we don't have no smell. We just
Your nose cock up.
we
In
just
time
check
there.
it. 'Cause if we know open up and we smell anything, we nature dead. And that is the
So
thing.
you
we
have
see.
cock up nose solution. Go on. Go on to your yard. And don't make me reach home before you. Go to your yard. Go to your yard right now. If me ever take one taxi and reach one. What me say if you do? You look like you're dead. You're dead. Yo. Hey girl. My last warning me give you hear me?
Come out of me yard, miss.
Last warning. Me I give you the last warning. Alright.
Kim, how we run this hide for?
Ashanti, yeah, you get it, I see. You gotta beat them man and come in here. Eh? Who me say? I say you're pissed the rank. We say look a bit like this catch me. I must be thinking some you done out. You never take out your chin, you have to make them come here, go take out the fear. You see that ambition?
Yes, sister, no? You feel
So,
so back.
have your back with a ranking pace. Me say, me get a news say. And you have to up here. Why? But me never know say she, nobody knows say she, me no come up here. You know, see me on tall. You mad?
You don't say.
I'm afraid of she.
If you have manners,
Who do I?
you're not no manners.
Me no man doing.
You're not no manners.
What would I manners
You're a
doing?
bigger sister, no? You have to show respect.
Oh, you have sense?
Me might not have
Yeah.
no sense, but you have to show respect.
I'm sure respect him.
Hi, good afternoon. Christ.
And who you, sir?
Oh God. How are you, sir?
I'm a sister piece, but I try things that me have smell.
Hi.
My sister piece. I just say dash with
You
my
sick?
old man.
No. Anyways, and I really that made it come out. No, sir. Oh God.
You know him?
Your
No.
ex, your boyfriend, or is your ex-man? I think he's your ex-man now. Oh yes, you never know. Saying they actually they don't build up two house. Yes. Man, I go on good, you know. I go on good then. I even did find out say they even pregnant for him.
Pregnant? Who pregnant?
She pregnant.
How you know my business?
She pregnant.
So then the man, me and the man is good friend. And he tell me everything, I actually come check if you're alright. Yes, pregnant.
Wait. Who breed you?
The ambitious one.
Ambitious one breed you. And you have the idiot one that walk and the baby here.
Jesus.
Could become like a fool. Hello.
Tap with this.
So that's why the man left her.
She put out the man because she want a man where they beat her. But I never beating man in take up is an idiot man when wanna beat him every day.
So
No, that's never the problem.
So you don't have a house and you don't have a man. You're single.
He have a
I have a house and my house.
a few houses. A few houses.
Single.
We have to say.
You want a man?
Yes, but I love to take.
No. You have business in your face. You know what man with me. But what you want?
Sorry.
What is not this? Are you here look for?
So yeah.
Anyway,
Sorry, officer.
your house look nice though. It a grind.
Thank you.
2 room and with door already. It look nice. Anyways, want to talk to you, can't follow me go home. We can go hold a conversation. Come on, talk to you in private.
The thing you have to say to me, you can't say to me, so I'm here alone there, so.
They say bush have ears.
Well, obviously. I'm not going to go down here because I'm not make you set me up.
Me? Set you up? Me will never do that. Remember, you're my baby father. Make it cut the dirty boy from yesterday. So him no did it.
You kick him out. That nothing to do with me. Oh. I run from the pain now. As I say, just the way I say, because I have a whole time. See me I come up my back bus. So not. I want to get the load off and back. I want to cool off. I want to go sort out. I have to sort out. If I go back to work tomorrow, so. Just run the lyrics. I'm here with you, because I have a whole day, so.
I know so the boy him not as bad as what me think. See all carrying woman in my place. And you are the woman are the bad one because as she deal with me like a fear house. And I box him, I kick him, all that short in his face.
That's on you, Shanti. That's on you. You ain't have to deal with that. You want to put on yourself in that predicament there? You want to take on yourself out. You walk and look for me what I'm supposed to do. You the one feel pain. But try to explain to you say you want to see this thing go. I try to nourish you. I try to cherish you. But guess what? It was too much for you to handle. You can't handle a real man. Now you run. Stay in your pain. As I say, more move go up so more go up on my yard, you know. So just talk where you have to talk. If I that you don't talk?
No, me not done talk. Me just want you come back. Or you can't, me can't move, come up at your place. Remember me, your baby mother, you know? And the belly constantly grow.
That's expected. That's a given. If you're pregnant, the belly must grow. So what I say? Shanti, you waste my time. Yo, may I go get some things though? No disrespect. Go chat another time. But also what I say, not really make no sense to me.
Wait.
Shanti, just sorry. I don't mean for assault, but hear me say now.
But remember the baby.
What about the baby? No understand.
But pregnant, the baby, I'm gonna need you.
I know that. And as soon as the baby born, I shall be there. Be there in the sense for come check on the youth. That's it. Provide what the youth need. I think you have to take that baby thing too far, you know, like you use the baby as a scapegoat, you know. But you hear me I say? Don't play with me youth. If you want me here, you good. Don't play with me youth. I don't have nothing personal against you, but just don't play with me youth. You see that saying they will say if you can't catch Quacker, you catch him shot. Look like that you try now. Like it's true you can't get a hold of me, you know. You want to use the baby like you hurt the baby, you know. My friend, know what you do. Know what you do. If you want me here good, don't take a chance with me youth. Don't go on like you want to hurt me youth.
That?
You don't know my house by now.
Sis,
I'm there.
a good one, me not see you.
I couldn't have when me see you.
Hey, sis, come up over there. Sis, come here.
I run around on the house. Come here,
That's what I make you run, sis. I have to run, sis.
Because every check on tell me, oh, me for run my life. Oh, me here say how I want up here beat you.
Hey? Who tell us so?
Your sister.
Right.
No, if I didn't your life, me I live still. Me want that the life there me can't get it. Because my man.
The life they don't nice, trust me.
My man say not do it because I'm a good man. You know see. You
You're
know
not
see.
be glad. You're glad so you get a good man.
But me don't think that is showing love.
Man, I just show her she do most things that make me there see me in a but I say one day I got tired of it. But me I tell you,
But I really like to see your woman do where I beat you.
What make you want
She make 50?
She not 100 now. She a mad
Me
woman.
not mean so. Me mean how she look. Or 100, which one?
She stay like a sweeter.
Blood clean how you do that the woman there. You can't manage that the woman there.
What?
You said
But they not see that now bill mostly little time.
not twice your size.
Twice my size. No. See how that.
See no picture now.
How you do?
How are the backside?
Yes, guys. No, you can't fight him, my sister. No do that. You're mad, you know.
I just have one woman there you
My sister. How do you?
You who?
My sister.
Hello.
Me no wanna get out of that.
Oi.
Look.
My sister, me know a woman. So why you angle me like
Look
this?
how my other sister come in. You never war.
Are you woman this?
Yeah, my woman.
You have a right to free that.
Me no want no girl there on you.
I want thing, you know. I want thing I have to tell you.
Me no believe say your sister.
It's yourself. Stop.
I want this.
I'm a sister.
I want thing I have to tell you. You can't stop me from calling my brother, yeah?
Relax. Relax. Now they get relax. Calm
You
down.
might be the woman, but I'm your sister.
Go on. I'm mad man, you know. I'm mad man, sister. I don't say mad too.
How you call mad?
You're really mad.
Where you go? May I tell you
I
something,
don't want
sister?
to
You
really
still try
pick up.
fighting.
You don't have no ambition.
I say it's there. I'll keep running my sister.
Me no want a girl here. Me no want you run a girl. That's why me no make you work. That's why me no make you work. That's why I make it on a yard. Me very, very jealous when it come towards you. So me no understand. Why? Me no tell us me no want nobody a yard.
My sister just go and look for me.
As son we use game and talk about sister.
What do you mean?
I bet you say no cook cause you out a cock up with the man.
Food ready. Sister, that's go on now.
You
It's
move
food.
into yourself, though. Look where you pick up.
Not paying no mind. Just go in that house.
No touch me.
Don't share food, yeah.
Don't touch me. Food better already.
I take off your bag. You see I left your bag. Right.
How are you done? Mulko? Adan? Me glad me see you. Me glad. Me must remember to get the regular in the boat. No, that. Stop forget about that. No, no, we brother, big old fat bullfrog. Beat me over the sun. Yes, she beat me. I run me out. So good something that? What do you mean a good something that? You see how people who beat they finally get somebody. Me never say a woman. Why would I want a woman to beat me? And then you so big and ugly. Listen. I'm going to talk to that girl then. Man, that is easy because you make she beat up and nobody can beat up. Come look. You can't beat me up. You never come what do you mean nobody can beat you up? You need to come on my karate. You beat her before? Me meet her before. You say big or fat? Me see how she is. Yes, and so, me know to fight karate. Me can't fight. Come on my karate class, somebody won't beat up you because you're an idiot. Why if a girl beat up you? Where your brother did it? What Trey did it? Trey don't turn up there at child party and instead he will get licked too. Because I tell you the woman beat Trey. I tell you she beat Trey day and night. Every day beat Trey. Eh? Every day beat. And you see truth, I tell you this. You see Trey down on saint. You're supposed to know if Trey grew and come up. He make woman take you for idiot. And him bigger than we. And me the little one can't push on around. Because we don't no sense. He told us big and full. She's sad. Eh? You can't go my yard in no cars. Oh, no sense. Eh? You don't get sense? You don't look so. You have a right to say you don't look so because you don't got none. You can't say man. You bet girl beat up in your run. I fear yard with them. Well, I don't really fear. I don't fear yard. I told you I paid a little bill. She have a little money. I tell you, she said, get up and go look at work after me. Man, bad abuser. Never again. Never go strap. Me come to my yard. Where your yard? Me not go over there to them. Me not time for them. And if I'm business to deal with. Eh? Every day. Papi sure.
You know? Hey.
Me say at you.
After me.
Yes. How you make your little big where woman there? Where woman there? So me tell me take my time. How you make a woman beat up your own sister?
Listen,
You want a sister?
It happened so fast, sir. I mean, I try to tap him and tell him I'm a sister, and it just happened.
I'm still not talk to you because you're not no sense. You're not no sense.
I mean, me not
You're
have
not
no sense.
no. Listen to me. Listen to me.
What?
You can't deal with somebody
When they bat abuse you, day and night go. You see a bull buck up the beat you. Every day she get up, she beat you, she beat you, come here what? Beat the stick?
I told me a good man, I can't put me on for a woman.
You can't put her on woman?
No.
You say she put her hand for you, so? You push her down, she will drop. You know what I'm
I fully mash up the place.
She not mash up no, she go mash up the place, she not so big.
Oh.
Every day you get up, you make him a beat, you go you beat up. I said to him for his sister. She want a man with a beat her. And a man with a beat her, she have.
Today I mean I talk about that too, you know, come and tell him say, sis, I know good, you know, make you see like you have a good man, stay with a good man. If you get a bad man, you go hate it. In a long run, you go sorry at that.
Mr. I say yesterday, me dey here. And me dey walk go my business, come and tell me I'm going to know me go, but me know say me go my business. Then me look at she me see them from come out. Me ask her say if a dog or a cow or a donkey or a mouse something a run her done. Poor me never know say I fight you when I fight with she. Eh? Oi, hello, mom,
What your problem?
mom, me tell you this. Me know karate, no start with me like this, you know.
How she?
How me? You have to say my sister, you mean? Me say my to say my sister.
I am CM1.
I am CM1.
Yes.
I am CM1. Watch this.
I'm.
Eh? Where is strong for? Me say, I know my sister. This is for you.
No,
Right.
not kill him. No.
Where are with you?
Yes,
Eh?
yes.
Where are with you, my girl?
No, fight.
Control that woman. You think I'm a better this? No ramp with me, man. Me no ramp. You know what me? Right. Any day me hear say you beat her, my brother again. I done you done, you know. Now put back your hand on him.
Me tired of
Hey,
it.
here.
I saw my sister
Hey,
coming tired
No
of it.
ramp with me. Don't that day put her hand on my brother.
I tired, she tired of it.
You're bright. No ramp with me, man.
You should have
No
come
ramp
out.
with me.
You should have come out. Come go in.
And you little one more time, you just go call me.
Not
Go
tired.
call me. Me can't fight. And my idiot sisters and my idiot brother, they not no sense.
She tired of it.
Beat him when me gone. Beat him when me gone. Beat him when me gone. Near you.
So me in a system to go in.
Go on in. Get up and go in. I owe me a chat too.
And I hear
Get out, me
and I
say.
hear me
Get
sister
up.
talk to you. You better
Go in. Go in, man. Go in. Yawa.
It's me glad.
Turn up on her. If they want to come beat up my brother. Any day she beat again, come call me. Come call me. Bright.
If you talk heavy too.
If it out. You must come back out there, girl. I'm not fight with you. I'm tired. Tell me tired.